mo kì í ṣe wèrè o mo kì í ṣe wèrè ṣe rí ẹ̀dá tó jẹ́ wèrè gangan òun lẹ̀dá tí kò níṣẹ́ lọ́wọ́ ẹ̀dá tí kò ní vision tó wá jẹ́ pé iṣẹ́ tóun yàn láàyò láyé ẹ̀ òun ni kó lọ máa parọ́ kó máa implicate àwọn èèyàn.
Lizzy Anjorin assures to assist those around her with talent and even without talent, as she mentioned how much she loved Emmanuela. The young famous comedian, following the misconceptions surrounding the photo she posted, claiming that she doesn't mean to attack Emmanuela's brand, but the impostor using someone else's video in his or her YouTube channel. She took out time during her online show to explain how the blogger keeps attacking her and reporting untrue stories about her. She shared a video of the vlogger where she disapproved a whole lot of stories reported by the female voice. Lizzy Anjorin cleared that she makes her money from her business and not from the movie industry, as she affirms that she has never been involved in smuggling drugs as reported by the vlogger. She boasted on how she had been doing business since she was 7 years of age. She mentioned that she and Tony Abraham has only met 4 times. She also added how she once fought for Toyin some time ago. She allowed her viewer to call in, and she ended her session with prayers for her viewers.
Àmì Ọlọ́run. Thank you very much. Thank you so much, Iredimeji. Thank you. The guy that sent this to me, I don't know, maybe it was, I think this music is from Iredimeji. Thank you. And I have a couple of people, of course, I'm going to mention you guys' name. Thank you so much. Thank you. Yesterday was a wonderful one, and I love you guys. Thank you for being there. Thanks for the love. Thanks for support. Thanks for everything. Thanks for the trust, most especially the trust. You know, when things happen and people like, oh no, that lady, she's not like that. That woman, she's not like that. No. You know, a lot of people, you know, you celebrated me yesterday. I did not buy you recharge card. I didn't buy you that phone. You know, that time, you know. Thank you so much. I appreciate you guys. And for everybody that celebrated me yesterday, I have a special message. Or let me say, I have a special gift for you today. It's a special gift. It comes once in a while. And I'm going to give you that gift. So get ready to receive the gift. Mi ò kì í ṣe abara more jẹ. Ọlọ́run á bá mi dúpẹ́ lọ́wọ́ gbogbo yín. Gbogbo ẹ̀yin tí ẹ celebrate mi. Gbogbo ẹ̀yin tẹ́ ṣàdúrà fún mi. Gbogbo ẹ̀yin tẹ́ pọ́n mi lé. And Lizzy Warriors, thank you so much. Mi ò sí nílé, mo bá ọrọ̀ ajé lọ. Àná gan mi ò jẹun throughout lánàá. I didn't eat throughout yesterday. Funny enough, I was busy throughout yesterday. And of course, I was thinking day before yesterday, like, how am I going to do my normal yearly routine, taking food to the streets, feed the homeless and all that. I didn't call Iredimeji, I didn't call any of the warriors, I didn't call anybody. And guess what? They made it happen yesterday. Thank you so much. Thank you. Gbogbo àwọn ọmọ tẹ́ lọ fún ní oúnjẹ lánàá, ebi ò ní pa ẹ̀yin náà lágbára Ọlọ́run. Inú àìní yín bẹ́ ṣe mú tẹ́ lọ fi pọ́n mi lé, Ọlọ́run á bá mi pọ́n yín lé. Gbogbo yín pátápátá lẹ máa lógo lẹ dẹ̀ máa rí ògo yín lò. Dẹ̀ ní ṣọ́kú máa wọ̀n bí yín lójú. And today we have like 3 to 4 segments. The first segment is about a guy. Wọ́n ní tá bá ṣe ní lóore, ọpẹ́ là ń dú. Even if you don't know how to thank your creator when he blessed you and you don't thank him, of course he might get angry and collect that thing back. So I know what it takes to be a grateful soul. So I am very grateful. I quickly want to address an issue with a guy. I don't know him. I don't know his name. I declare him wanted, and I mean it. And the reason why I declare this guy wanted is that I've warned this guy several times that stop this thing. Since he refused to stop, then I have to go by way of calling him out and sort some things out with him. And I don't want you to be like, don't buy pity. Don't buy. You see, buying pity is what is destroying our society today. That's why we see some people, they are just like 10, 15, 20 years. And at the end of the day, about crime, town people you commit. So don't buy pity. I'm not a fool. I'm not a jobless person. I am a very hardworking person. I dedicate my time to my business and my personal life. I don't poke nose. I don't put mouth in things that does not concern me. So guys, I want you to know me for who I am. I cannot change. This is who I am. Take it. You have to adjust. You have to adjust. This is who I am. Take me for who I am. You can't change me. Sure, you understand? And when it comes to truth and my rights, I can go to any length. So, guys, I want you to understand that fact about me. And so far, so good. People said there is Mike Angel, elder brother or uncle or something. Let me tell you something about Mike Angel. Nobody can pull Mike Angel down. Nobody. Ọmọ yẹn ti fọmọ kékeré lówó lọ́wọ́. Dandan ni kó fàgbàrí lu ẹ̀mí ẹ̀dẹ́ gbọ́dọ̀ gùn. Almighty Allah will bless that lady, that young baby. Almighty Allah will bless her. She will grow in wisdom, in knowledge, and all beautiful things of life. Nobody. Especially if you want to hit the fruit of your own labor, you will never think of bringing anybody's down. Makenja is my daughter. She's my girl. I love her talent. Even people that are not close to me. You see, one thing about me is that I love talent. Because without talent, I won't be here today. I didn't learn about tailoring. I didn't learn about fashion. I didn't learn about anything. But look at me today. What I'm enjoying today is talent. So, and because I still want to grow more in that talent, I will be a support to anybody. Even if you don't have any talent, I will still call you and talk to you. You can see the way I call people every day. I talk to my fellow woman. Because I want everybody to grow. So I'm not that kind of person that normally pull people down. I don't. And I will never. You see, I used to tell you guys, it is not easy to be up there. It is not easy to feed. It is not easy to put food on your table. And as young as she is, that baby, she's a big girl now. She's a big girl now. So as young as she is, she has done so many things. So many things that every mother should be proud of. She has built her parent a beautiful home. She's living large. Every parent that wants to hit the fruit of their labor should pray for this girl. So, Emanuela, thank you. I love her. I love Emanuela so much. And not only Emanuela, I love everybody. Talent is not easy. Surviving in this kind of economy is not easy. So, Emanuela is my baby. She's my baby. She's my daughter. She's my everything. So, I love her. Deep down in me, whenever I see her, Mama gbé Ọlọ́run ga lára ẹ má ṣàdúrà fún, because tó bá fẹ́ ga láyé tó fẹ́ kọ́mọ tiẹ̀ náà jẹ́yàn ó gbọ́dọ̀ rírú àwọn Emanuela yẹn kó wá máa sọ pé kán ṣubú. No, wọn ò gbọ́dọ̀ ṣubú. Ìwọ tó bá bí ọmọ tiẹ̀ tó gbé oyún ẹ̀ tó bí, even if you don't have a child yet and you want your own child or your children to become somebody in life, you have to be positive to people that are doing great in the society, regardless of their age, regardless of their status. So don't mix it up, guys. Please, don't mix it up. I'm Arike's sister. I'm a brand. If Arike is now destroying someone's brand, you can call Arike out. It is now my own duty to now call Arike. Arike, kó tó ń ṣe yóò dá ó máa bà wá lórúkọ jẹ́ o. So because Arike is good to me, does not mean Arike will be good to people. Don't mix it up, please. Don't mix it up. Don't mix it up. If anything, not just Emanuela alone, to everybody, to tí ó bá kù díẹ̀ ká tó ká dúró tira wa, ká gbárùkù tira wa, we should stand for each other. You know what? There is nothing in this world. There is everything. Cars, house, everything is vanity. And we don't own this life. Anything can happen at any time. Anything can happen at any time. May God give us long life, good health. So there is nothing that is important to this life that you now hold like, hey, no. You see, misconception. Then, there are some people, maybe out of jealousy or enviness or something, they will just tag you, they will destroy your name so that people will not like you. That is their own job. That is why they are here. Sure, you understand? So before you create problem or before you castigate anybody, try to know them, get close to them. Don't just come online. If I call that, yeah, that guy is a wanted, because I have warned this guy so many times. That guy, I've warned him. He owns a YouTube, and that YouTube is doing, like, let me say, that YouTube, not to only me, to many artists. Maybe the YouTube is side hustle. I don't know. But let me tell you something. If you know you manage a brand, You shouldn't create any platform that will bring another person down. Multi-block full yẹn. So if you come here to say, if you want to learn listing, if you want to know what happened listing, because all this your comments, at the end of the day, it won't show on my platform. So don't disturb yourself. So don't come here and be saying rubbish. Just hold on and learn. What I want to discuss today, yesterday was my birthday, so we have so much this thing today. So I want you to learn from this issue, and I want you to pick 1 or 2 points. Mo kì í ṣe wèrè o, mo kì í ṣe wèrè. Ṣé rí ẹ̀dá tó jẹ́ wèrè gangan òun lẹ̀dá tí kò níṣẹ́ lọ́wọ́. Ẹ̀dá tí kò ní vision. Tó wá jẹ́ pé iṣẹ́ tó ń yàn láàyò láyé ẹ̀, òun ni kó lọ máa parọ́ kó máa implicate àwọn èèyàn. Ṣó ti yé yín, ìyẹn gangan ni wèrè. Àdé tó wá lè pè ní wèrè. Kò yé yín, iṣẹ́ tí Ọlọ́run tó gbé òun wá ṣe láyé nìyẹn. Kọ́ lọ má fèmí ṣe sábàbí bú, kọ́ lọ má fi mí ṣe pàṣán fún àwọn ọmọlàkejì mi. Like I said, the program is going to be 100% Yoruba, but of course I'll still mix some things. But when we get to segment 3, it's going to be pure Yoruba, because I have a special gift for you guys. God bless you. Mira Highline, God bless you. God bless you. God bless you. There is no smoke without fire. No, I can't just wake up and say that guy is wanted. Emma, I have some things here to show you. And the reason why I want you guys to learn or to listen to this thing is that I don't want a situation whereby they will now use Emanuela as pity stuff to get the guys out. No. Ebe má jẹ́ ká ṣe pity stuff. Pity ló gbé wa débi tá wà yìí. Pity ló gbé Nigeria débi tá wà yìí. Even in abroad. Tọ́mọ kékeré bá ṣe nǹkan, wọ́n ní correctional center fáwọn youth, wọ́n ní fàgbàlagbà. So ẹ jẹ́ ká ṣe bó ṣe yẹ ká ṣe. Ẹ má jẹ́ ká sọ pé kíní kan torí ọmọ kan. Why téèyàn kan ṣe máa pé òun fẹ́ mú yàn kan wálẹ̀. Nǹkan tí bọ̀bọ́ yẹn ṣe lélẹ̀. I don't know his name, but I have to tell you, because tí mi ò bá sọ fún yín, maybe in the next few weeks or months later, tí issue bá ṣẹlẹ̀, because if you don't hold back to drag me, I won't hold back to tear you apart. I have warned you guys. Leave my territory. Just leave me. Your YouTube, your Facebook, whatever weapon you have, if you cannot use it to promote me, just leave me. Don't come close to me. Don't. Because mi ò ń ṣe ẹ̀dá tó jẹ́ pé I don't use my platform to destroy anybody. I use my platform for my own business. And if I'm coming online to do any show, I always empower people. Let's do it this way. Let's do it that way. Let's do it. Ladies, we should do this. Guys, we should do that. So I can use my platform to be bringing people's business or people's problem, or be using it to bring people's down. But I just use my own platform to promote my own business. And everyone can testify to that. So situation whereby you have a platform to wá fi attack me, o ma tell you, I'm not here to fight anybody. I just want to see you why. I want you guys to see why I need this guy's attention and why I declare him wanted. So far so good. Platform here wà lórí YouTube. Wọ́n máa fi ń ṣe ìkà fún mi every time, every day. Me and Seyi, Shy. Wọ́n máa fi ń ṣe, especially me. I have many videos here. But tabajo débi tájọ fẹ́ gbede, because when you bring case on social media under 2 minutes, if I post this video now, I'll post another video after 1 hour or 2 hours. If anybody say anything here now, kò dé court, kò dé ọ̀run, kò dé ìjọba ọ̀run. Ṣó yé yín? But I have to carry you guys along, because if things happen like this, people always come to social media. Hey, Lizzie Tuti, they always hide on that pity stuff. So that you see, Lizzie, oh Tuti bereja. That's why I always come here to show you my own side of the story. So when the time comes, Tajo Beresinipo Walanye, they won't be able to come and feed you guys fake news to buy pity. So hold on a second. This is what happened between me and the guy. Yesterday was my birthday. We have a lot of people. Uncle Kunle Afford, Mommy Shaje, Mesa Egbe, Mistura Turamu, a lot of people. Lolomi. I don't know why you guys are so much into social media that you see everything on social media as a big deal. Hey, so person use this person. So person does not use this person. What does that mean? Show me cotton in face. It takes only a fool to fight over something that doesn't put money in your account. It takes only a fool to fight on something that doesn't put food on your table. Someone does not use you or celebrate you. Do you know what that person is facing? Do you know what that person is going through? Do you know maybe that person is not even well? Did you know? I don't care if someone use me or not. I don't care. I use a lot of people too. They don't celebrate me. It does not mean anything. What of people that celebrate you but they don't like you? What about people that celebrate you but they want you to fall? Some people won't celebrate you, but hey, they mean well. They mean well. Do you know thousands of people that celebrated me yesterday? Share, I want to celebrate me. How many of them they me to celebrate laye? If they are to judge me, would they celebrate me? But hey, no. They celebrated me based on the fact that they love me. If you love people, forget their shortcomings or anything. Forget it. The only thing that you can do for me or Liz and Johnny that can make me drag hell out of you is to come for my business or for my name. Because that name, láàrin èmi àtọlọ́run, mo sọ pé orúkọ yìí mo máa gbé séjìká, mo máa gbéga. And I've worked so much. I work without sleep or rest. I didn't enjoy social life. I didn't enjoy anything. All I do is work and make money, make money and reinvest. Well, if you study me very well, I dedicate my time, my life. If I want to speak, I speak business. If I want to eat, I eat business. If I want to do anything in life, it's about business. You all know that about me. I don't have time for rubbish. Yesterday, Mesa Egbe celebrated me. Lade Bakare came under the comment section. Though someone said she was joking or something, I don't know. All I know is me and Lade Bakare, we are friends. I don't know. You can ask all of them. Me and Mercy, we are friends. In fact, these people, I'm pleased with everybody and I love everybody. And I will always defend them. That is my own. Maybe that is why God is promoting me. I don't know. I don't know. So when I saw the comment, it was not even me. Someone called me. I was in a meeting. Someone called me. What happened between you and Lade Bakare? And I was like, no. That person said, do you know Lade Bakare? I said, yes. And she to you. I said, she's my good person now. She's my friend. I like her. The person said, you like her. Go and check so blog. And, you know, I saw it too. And I was like, what happened? Why would she do this? And I saw Mercy's reply. I was like, what happened? I called Mercy. I said, Mercy, let me tell you something. When you see these comments, you shouldn't allow people to trend under these comments because the world are watching. Should have deleted it. They do. If I post you too, they do come to my page to troll you. But hey, I will delete it because I don't want trash to trend under my post. against any of my colleagues. That is me. That is me. And lẹ́sẹ̀kẹsẹ̀ gbogbo wa àti adjust ara wa bó ṣe mọ̀ pé kọ́lọ́run má mú wa. Kọ́lọ́run má mú wa. This thing that I want to discuss with you guys is deep. Forget the fact that you love one celebrity or you hate one celebrity. This is my turn. One day I won't be here. You might be the one here. Your child or your children might be here. So there are times, don't use your personal interest to destroy some things, because the next victim can be you, can be your family. You don't understand? The next victim, nǹkan tó máa ń jẹ́ kí orí mi sán nìyẹn, pé why téèyàn ṣe máa wà báyìí sọ́mọ làkejì ẹ̀. But you guys don't get it. You don't get my action at times. Now, inú gbogbo àwọn YouTube pátápátá, as usual YouTube yìí, mo lè fi atrocity méjì mẹ́ta mẹ́rin tó ti ṣe, má ti fi hàn yín, má fi hàn yín sìn. YouTube yìí tó bá fẹ́ gbé mi, ó máa kọ̀kọ́ kúkọ nípa mi. This same YouTube, ó dẹ̀ ní celebrity kan tó ń promote every minute, every second. I have warned this YouTube. Stop it, stop it, stop it. Ọjọ́ kan, ó ní Lizzy Anjorin blast Iyabo Ojo, and I watched that video. It was Iyabo Ojo's business advert. Ọjọ́ kan, ó ní Lizzy Anjorin slap Toyin, and I watched the video. But guess what? Some people don't even watch the video. All they do is they will go to comment section and start cursing me. What have I done? You want me to be a subject. You want to subject me to an attack. That was why you used the headline to mislead the public. For how long you want to do that? For how long did you want to do that? I have warned you, stop it, stop. But the one you did yesterday, you've overdone it. And the YouTube is being, let me say, sponsored or managed by the guy I posted. Because you know lórí YouTube yẹn tó ń pariwo subscribe, subscribe, subscribe. So if we go to anywhere in the whole world, you will be responsible for that YouTube in question. You don't need to bring me down to promote another person. It's only God that can promote. Social media followers is different from what we have in our account. Social media followers has nothing to do with our age, our status. May God grant us long life. I'm going to work on you, but I need the world to know what you've done, so that when the time comes, you won't run to social media to buy pity. I have never in my life used my platform to bring anybody down. If anybody bá ń jà ní industry me, if it's none of your business. We are fighting today. We can settle it tomorrow. But your own contribution is the one destroying us. And that is why when they want to raise funds for any artist, nobody cares. Nobody is going to come up. Nobody will answer. Nobody will contribute dime. You bloggers, vloggers. People will say, oh, artists, they don't love themselves. Emoru story tẹ́tí kọ láti báyé wa jẹ́ síra wa. Story tẹ́tí kọ láti kọ̀yìnra wa síra wa. If anybody refuse or if anybody did not use me, you don't even know what that person is going through. It's none of your business. That one is not a story. Do you know how much they said dollars? Do you know how many people that died yesterday? Have you been to hospitals and see people that are dying every second because of common 10,000 naira? It's a story to wake our president up. But you won't do that. Do you know how many of your family members that need common 1,000 naira to survive yesterday? But you won't do that. And we'll keep blaming government. Use your platform to do something meaningful. Do not use your platform to break me or my colleagues. If me and anybody, if we are fighting, it's none of your business. But situation whereby you are bringing me down for that person will remain my target. Take it or you leave it. And at the end of the day, we might hurt ourselves. Who caused it? You. We may hurt ourselves because gbogbo ẹ̀yin tẹ́ ń wò mí yìí mélòó nínú yín ló gbàdúrà kó òun bí ọmọ kí ọmọ òun wá dàbí Lizzy Anjorin kéèyàn kan dẹ̀ jí kó máa ṣèkà fún kó máa bà business ẹ̀ jẹ́ kó máa borúkọ ẹ̀ jẹ́ kó máa bagbá jẹ́ kó máa bàwó jẹ́. Every day you have to write negative things about me and you want me to keep quiet. No, I would never keep quiet on that, because when I'm coming up, it was very tough for me. I'm not that girl they buy Pampers for, they buy Gary for. I grew up in a street. Do you know what it means for someone to live in uncompleted building for good 18, 19, 20 years? You don't know what it means. It means street is here. No amount of your bully, no amount of your bad talk or side talk can bring me down. I will stand firm and stand tall. Let your konkomo de ma ṣẹ́gun yín. Ní ẹyọ kankan mo ma ṣẹ́gun yín. I want you to listen to this and I will show you some things. So, Tẹ́mi àti Bọ̀bọ́ náà bá pàdé, a jọ ná tán bí owó. Tá bá jọ ná tán bí owó. Mo lérò pé máa tọ́jú fídíò yìí, kò ní lè ra pity. Like I said, nobody should bring my daughter into this. Emmanuela, please don't bring Emmanuela into this. Please, I beg you, in the name of Almighty Allah. If you want to eat the fruit of your labor, do not bring Emmanuela into this, please. All she wants from us is prayer, support, love. Please. So, this is what happened. But this thing that I want to play, this video that I want to play, first thing that you should consider is, if this lady is my daughter, if this lady is my sister, how would I feel? Forget the fact that you don't like Lizzy. It's not a must you like me. I used to say, don't like me. And if you love me, I love you too. But just for the fact that, Kilani Ife, let me show you. Hold on a second. So I want you guys to listen, and Iredimeji, please help me tag the line for property for calling. I want you guys to call in. Just call on WhatsApp and contribute. I don't want to say much about this thing because, of course, I just have to come here and tell you. So that tomorrow they will not say, Onjowuni, she's been jealous of this. She's jealous of what? At what age? At what level? At what age? At what level? So listen to this and I want you to call in, please.
Guys, you're welcome back to our channel. Yes, happy Easter to you and happy Sunday. How is this Easter treating you? Hope you are enjoying yourself. Well, as you can see, there is someone that is doing better. Wala con shell, wala don't happen. Hey, jajali, na Lizzy Anjorin to do birthday. Now, sorry, Messi, I can wish her on Instagram page. Okay, oh, happy birthday to this woman. You know, so fight can start. That is how they started fighting. No, these two people can't they fight. And you see, even before they even started the fight itself, it was only like the Bakari that commented on this Mercy Aigbe's post that had as a celebrity, yeah, part of the celebrities, and popular celebrities at that. It was only Lady Bakari that commented, and it's not that she commented because she wanted to outreach this Liz Anjorin happy birthday. No, it was because of something else. But guys, subscribe to our channel if you're watching us for the first time, and if you're already a subscriber, thank you very much. We love you. And to the matter at hand, you guys, you know that if it were to be another celebrity that is doing birthday, we will have the likes of Tony Abraham, Oyabo Ojo, that they would wish this person a happy.
Why do you have to bring that name? That two names? Why do you have to bring that two names? Shasofun and Jani, are we fighting? Why? Why?
But the broadcast that they are having in this Liz Anjorin's birthday, like did not even wish her a happy birthday at all. And you know, this all started because of a fight that happened between Liz Anjorin, Iyabo Ojo, and also to Abraham. Like,
see, this is where I'm going to. I want you to listen now, please, guys. Listen. I want you to listen and listen good. We all have blood in our veins. I want you to, this is where we are going to listen to this news.
Fight were different. Liz Anjorin and Tony Abraham had a fight then when Liz Anjorin said that it was Tony Abraham that was in charge of Gistlover, as it is not possible for Gistlover to have some information about the celebrities except an insider is giving her the information. And is it possible that how is it possible for Gistlover to know that she was arrested while she was trying to take drugs to Saudi Arabia?
Shegbo, that how did Gistlover know that I was arrested in Saudi? Common tramadol, Saudi. Even you can't take paracetamol more than maybe 4 pieces. And my Hajj in 2018 make it 7th Hajj that I have performed. 7th Hajj. Did you hear that? Kọ́kọ́ fọ̀rọ̀ ṣírò ara ẹ̀ wò pé tó bá jẹ́ pé àkọ́bí mi, àbọ́mọ mi ni wọ́n sọ̀rọ̀. Ẹ máa gbọ́ o, ẹ máa gbọ́ o.
Yeah, that she was arrested at the airport. So how is it possible for Gistlover to know that and that she only told Tony Abraham about this? So which way?
Shegbo, I only told Tony Abraham. Ẹ ti rí pé ó ti indict rẹ̀. Ẹ pé ó ti shoot rẹ̀. I only told him. I saw Tony 3 times in my whole life. First time at MITV. What happened then? I will tell you guys in future. Second time at this lady, one single mother, one party like that. No, second time at Regina Chukwu's location. Second time in my life at Regina Chukwu's location. Second time. And the picture we took that day, funny enough, I just opened Instagram then. If you go to my Instagram page, the second person in mystery when I started my Instagram that I posted was Toyin. And the picture is still there tomorrow. That is second time. The third time is at the party. Tasheni Agidingbi. Nibi Ojo tàbí kí lorúkọ ẹ̀. Third time. Tí mo marry Toyin nìyẹn. Third time. Tí mo ma fojú mi rí Toyin nìyẹn. The fourth time. Fourth ẹlẹ́kẹrin. Òun níjọ́ tí wọ́n ní wọ́n pè wá. So, she's not my age mate. I'm not her age mate. She's not a pro entrepreneur like me. I don't know her house. She has never been to my own house. So, and how can I stoop so low to tell that person, pé mo ń gbé cocaine lọ? Does that make sense? You don't understand? You all can witness how I walk. These people don't gbé cocaine yìí. At least you've seen a couple of stories on Instablog, Gistlover and all that. How much do they make? Maybe 200,000, 400,000 naira. Did you know how much I spent to go Hajj in 2018? Apart from that, During that time that I normally go to Hajj, time tí mo máa ń tajà jù nìyẹn. Mo máa fi iṣẹ́ mi sílẹ̀, mo máa fi ilé mi sílẹ̀, mo máa fi ọ̀nà mi sílẹ̀, mo máa fi, that is àsìkò ọdún, but a máa fi gbogbo ẹ̀ sílẹ̀, a máa lọ sin Ọlọ́run. Look at me. Do I have intestine to carry cocaine? Because I'm a petito. My intestine is like this pen. Because I don't know where I can carry it. Number two, have you ever seen me in party or club or in midst of people that can do such thing? It's a question you should ask yourself. Adufe Mama, I will block you. I will block you. Sorry, I have to block you. I have to block you. So sorry. Èló gangan ni wọ́n fún àwọn tó ń gbé cocaine. Ilé mélòó lẹ rí tó jẹ́ ilé tó dúró báyìí tó tóbi tó ní ilé oní cocaine lélẹ̀. And guess what? They normally give it to people tó jẹ́ first timer travelers. Kò ń ṣerú àwa, ẹlẹ́dàá wa ò ní jẹ́. Because tó bá travel rí, if you've not traveled before, you won't know how strict the security is. Níbo ló fẹ́ gbé gbà? Ṣé bí tó ti máa káwọ́ báyìí tán ti máa scan ẹ̀ níbo? Ṣé inú báàgì ló fẹ́ gbé sínú scanner ló máa lọ? And if you watch me very well, ìlú wo ni máa ń sábà lọ jù? I travel to Muslim countries most times. Did you notice that? And the reason why I travel to Muslim country most times is my customers. Àwọn fẹ́ igbá, àwọn fẹ́ ra diamond, àwọn fẹ́ ra gold, àwọn fẹ́ ra gbá, àwọn fẹ́ ra wo. I go to Italy too. We want to do, maybe they are doing sales for shoe and bags. I will go there. I will go and buy. Come and resell it. Make my own money on it. So where? Let's continue. Let's continue.
Happy birthday. Between Abraham was asked to apologize, and Liz and John was also asked to. Gist Lover. Liz and John said that it was Tony Abraham that was in charge of Gist Lover, as it is not possible for Gist Lover to have some information about the celebrities except an insider is giving her the information. And is it possible how is it possible for Gist Lover to know that she was arrested while she was trying to take drugs to Saudi Arabia, that she was arrested at the airport? So how is it possible for Gist Lover to know that, and that she only told Tony Abraham about this? So which
I only told Tony Abraham about this. Ṣé ti gbọ́ bẹ́ẹ̀ yẹn? Tó bá yá ẹ máa sọ pé wọ́n sọ pé èèyàn kan bímọ síbì kan. If you keep doing this to me, mo ṣe máa sọ pé o bímọ sílé ìyá bí, kódà èmi gan máa wá bàbá story fún ẹ. It's just that you guys spoiled that case then based on my own reaction. Ẹ bá ti jẹ́ ká yanjú kéèsì yìí. Wọ́n ní tétí ò bá gbọ́yìn kì, inú ò kì í bàjẹ́. I will still tell you guys this story in future. Kọ́lọ́n fún mi ní ọgbọ́n ìmọ̀ àtòyé tí màá fi gbé kalẹ̀ tó máa fi yé yín. Like I said, I'm not a dunce. I can't just come up and attack someone or say something. This is bad. Èmi sọ fún Tony Abraham. Níbo la ti pàdé? Tó bá jẹ́ pé ó ń ta ṣọ́nsìn, àbó ń ta góòdì, àbó ń ta ilẹ̀, àbí ó fẹ́ ṣe ìyàwó, àbí nǹkan kan, a sọ pé bóyá pàdé. I'm sure you don't know how strict Saudi is. Saudi, Dubai, Abu Dhabi and all that. You don't know. Then, people that are into it are people that need petty money. Kì í ṣe àwọn tó jẹ́ pé ìwà kàrà náà fi ń jẹun bí tiwa. People that can do this are people tó jẹ́ pé wọ́n wá capital, wọn ò mọ bí tán fẹ́ lọ mọ́ láyé yìí. Not me. I started business at age of 7. 5, 6, 7. Ni mo ti bẹ̀rẹ̀ business. Gàrí àtẹ̀pà máa kó sínú school bag mi. Èmi dẹ̀ ni class captain. Ni mo ti bẹ̀rẹ̀ business. When I started this industry this filming stuff in Abeokuta. Ask Mr. Latin, Monta Show, Monta Bata, Monta Gold. Ask them, ask my boss in Abeokuta, they will tell you. As a matter of fact, I don't make money in industry. I make my money from my business. I sell cement, I sell wines, I sell clothes. I sell a lot of things. I don't sleep. I don't have time for party. I don't have time for friends. I don't have time for friends. You all can testify to it. And do you know why I want to go after this guy? Do you know why I want to go after this guy? Because ibi teyin o si Ọlọ́run wà ńbẹ̀ Tóyìn lè má mọ nǹkankan nípa ẹ̀. Nípa nǹkan tó sọ yìí. But for record purpose, we have to pursue this thing. You don't understand? Tóyìn lè má mọ nǹkankan nípa ẹ̀. Tóyìn dẹ̀ lè mọ̀ nípa ẹ̀. Because right from onset, n tó fàjà lélẹ̀. Ordinarily, if I don't have opportunity or zeal to talk to you guys, you know, I'll just keep this thing. And this thing will be biting me up, biting me up. Any little things, it will trigger me and I will face Toyin back. Gone are the days. That was then. I know how to play the game now. The game is, I'll bring the facts to you guys to listen to my own side of the story. So, timba best ni run ẹni yẹn. Kò yé yín, kò ní lè wá bá yín mọ́. You don't understand? Any tó sponsor story here, who is the person behind this story? We all need to know. Because this person is our enemy. He's not just my enemy. He's our enemy. If truly Toyin didn't know anything about it. Why is that person pushing issue into my neck or Toyin's neck? What is your gain? Toyin said. And if they are to tell you that you should prove where Toyin told you all this, can you prove it? Can you prove it? Ẹ jẹ́ ká continue. Wọ́n padà sẹ́yìn ṣá.
On this to be another celebrity, as it is not possible for Gistlover to have some information about the celebrities except an insider is giving her the information. And is it possible that how is it possible for Gistlover to know that she was arrested while she was trying to take drugs to Saudi Arabia, that she was arrested at the airport? So how is it possible for Gistlover to know that, and that she only told Toyin Abraham about this? So which means that Toyin Abraham is the person that is feeding Gistlover news, that she's the person that is in charge of this Gistlover nation. And you know, this issue really it really grew, and you know that they had to start taking themselves to court. And Toyin Abraham was asked to apologize, and Liz Anjorin was also asked to apologize, but this never ever happened, as they are still fighting. So we see it as a cause, that the reason behind and Toyin Abraham not wishing Liz Anjorin a happy birthday. And also in the Iyabo Ojo's case, there was a fight that ensued between the two of them. Also, but you know the kind of a person Iyabo Ojo, so as this matter not to evolve into something that they cannot solve, that they cannot finish, that the two of them will not later be able to finish.
Sherry, woro ó pọ̀ gan, but ẹ wá wo nǹkan tó ṣẹlẹ̀, end the video yẹn rí. End the video yẹn rí.
I really appreciate you. Stay tuned, guys, and stay blessed.
Please subscribe to this channel. Please subscribe. Please subscribe. Subscribe. Share this video. Subscribe to this channel. Tell your friends to subscribe to this channel.
Really appreciate you. Stay.
Shetiri. You see that I don't just come out and accuse people anyhow. You see that I am too busy. Yesterday I didn't eat throughout, like I said. I'm not a fool. I can't just attack people. This thing is deep. This story is deep. This issue ó ti break you already. And this issue will break this family for the rest of our life. Our children will take over us with this story, except the bastards. And this has to stop. Why are you not dragging the other name? Why now only two? Odelile. Just go. Once you don't have brain, I will block you. This thing has to stop. Money wọn tó pọ̀ o. Money wọn tó pọ̀. Lórí blog yìí. Ṣé ti rí nsìn. Not because of me alone. Ṣó ti yé yín? Ṣé rí nǹkan tí bọ̀bọ́ yìí sọ? Láti ìgbà tí mo ti wà ní Mecca. Láti ìgbà tí mo ti wà ní Mecca. I will still tell you guys the story behind that 2018 fight. I will tell you. I will come with receipts. Trust me. Trust me. May God give me wisdom, knowledge, understanding, good health, long life, and you too. Ọjọ́ tí n bá gbé ọ̀rọ̀ yẹn kalẹ̀. Ẹ̀rù máa bà ọ̀pọ̀lọpọ̀. I mean well for everybody. I mean well for everybody. As a matter of fact, tẹ́ bá mọ nǹkan tó wà nídìí ọ̀rọ̀ yẹn, ẹ̀rù máa bà yín. No, the video is not edited. Èmi ni mo lọ síbẹ̀, èmi ni mo fà lọ síbẹ̀, it's not edited. Tó bá ti dé orí YouTube yẹn, bọ̀bọ́ yẹn ló ní bóyá máa ń polówó nǹkan ẹ̀ nìyẹn. Gbogbo story tó kọ against mi, bóyá máa ń sọ nǹkan ẹ̀ nìyẹn. Kò wà edited. Tó bá dé wà edited, ṣé ń gbọ́ mi? Bọ̀bọ́ yìí ní àǹfààní àti call YouTube yìí into order láti joy because this YouTube is to bring people down, is to say bad things about people. Ṣó ti yé yín? Àti protest tá bá dé anywhere in the whole world. Bọ̀bọ́ yìí náà máa mú. Bọ̀bọ́ yìí náà máa mú. Tá bá gbé lọ sí anywhere in the whole world. Why I'm telling you guys is that I don't want you to say, to now feel, Mike, I'll now bring Emanuela to come. No, please. Like I said, please don't drag my daughter. Don't drag Emanuela, please. Just leave that lady. Promote her. Pray for her. Because, mo bita àwọn ọmọ tí wà náà ń lọ. Lè sọ pé join video ní lè sọ bẹ́ẹ̀. Just like èèyàn lọ ṣe dancing yìí. Kì í ṣe 1 month, kì í ṣe 1 year, kì í ṣe 2 years. Wọ́n wá ń fi video mi ṣe kà níbẹ̀. Kí wá ní pé jo tẹ́ bá déwájú ibi tán ti fẹ́ dájú àbí nǹkan kan, tẹ́ bá mú lọ anywhere in the whole world. Wọ́n sọ fún ẹ pé ǹgbà tán bá yọ bí video 200 tó jẹ́ wọ́n ló ń ṣe advert ẹ̀. Ìwọ ló ní now, nobody can use your, you know, the guy is a brand on his own. Nobody can use his face to do that. Nobody can use his face to do that. I want you to get that. Don't be biased. Please, let's go straight to the point. Like I said, the next victim could be you, could be me. Ọ̀rọ̀ bọ̀bọ̀ Frost and Winnipeg tá ń sọ pé ó gbà àwọn èèyàn. Page náà ló sáré lọ gbé pápápá. Ó ti sáré side bọ̀bọ̀ yẹn. Àwọn tí wọ́n gbà ń bẹ̀, you know, everybody. Ọ̀rọ̀ mẹ́ta ni mo máa sọ because I want to rush down to segment 3. The segment 3 is very important, so I don't want to waste too much time on segment 1. Ọ̀rọ̀ mẹ́ta ni mo fẹ́ sọ. Now it's going to be pure Yoruba. Pardon me, guys. Ẹ wò mí dáadáa o. Àdàbí tí n bá rí cocaine rí. Àdàbí tí n bá fẹnu kàn rí. Àdàbí tí n bá gbé rí. Àmọ́ tí mi ò bá fẹnu kàn rí, tí mi ò gbé rí, tí mi ò rí rí, gbogbo ẹ̀dá tó bá wọn lọ́wọ́ sí sísọ ẹ̀, tó bá wọn lọ́wọ́ sí kíkó ẹ̀, tó bá wọn lọ́wọ́ sí pínpín ẹ̀ tó ń sọ, ìkorò agùn mi á béèrè lọ́wọ́ yín. Àdàbí tí mo bá rí rí, tí n bá fẹnu kàn rí àbí tí n bá gbé rí, ìkorò agùn mi, àìsùn mi, àìwó mi, ó máa béèrè lọ́wọ́ gbogbo yín pátápátá láìkẹ́ ẹyọkan ṣoṣo. Lọ́la Kaaba, lọ́la Medina, lọ́la Safa àti Marwa, lọ́la ìjẹ́ kan lọ́hùn lọ́la pé yọkan ní mi lọ́wọ́ ìyá mi tí mi pé méjì àdàbí tí n bá rí rí tí n bá fẹnu kàn rí àbí mo fojú rí rí àmọ́ tí mi ò rí rí mi ò fojú kan rí mi ìfẹnu kàn rí mi ò gbé rí ìṣẹ̀dá mi adájọ́ fún yín. Today is 5th. Yesterday was my birthday. Níwò yá àmọ́dún ìwọ Olúwa gbogbo ẹ̀dá tó lọ́wọ́ sínú sísọ ẹ̀ pínpín ẹ̀ àti kíkó ẹ̀ tó bá mi ṣe láti fi ojú wọn gbolẹ̀ Olúwa fi ìkorò sí ayé wọn kí wọ́n lè bá mọ bí ìṣẹ́ ṣe korò tó gbogbo ẹ̀dá kẹ́dá tó lọ́wọ́ nínú sísọ ẹ̀ nínú kíkó ẹ̀ nínú spreading story yìí Olúwa rọ́lá pé ọjọ́ tán bí mi mẹ́n tó kọ́kọ́ gbé mi mẹ́n tó wẹ̀ mi ò dẹ̀ mọ̀ bí tán da omi mi sí wá ru ọlá pé mi ò kí ń sùn Olúwa ru ọlá pé mi ò kí ń wo ru ọlá iṣẹ́ tí mò ń ṣe Olúwa tó pé tòótọ́ ló wà o tó wáyé pé tòótọ́ nìwọ Ọlọ́run ó exist má ṣàwá fi gbogbo wọn ṣẹ̀sín gbangba má ṣàwá fi gbogbo wọn ṣẹ̀sín gbangba gbogbo ẹ̀dá tó bá wọn kọ́ tó ń bá wọn pín kiri àti tó ń sọ because I don't want to hold anybody at this juncture but what I will do is this I will use my weapon. Ọlọ́run náà máa láṣẹ ni wá ó ní ká béèrè òun máa fún wa ó ní ká kanlẹ̀kùn òun máa ṣílẹ̀kùn náà fún wa. If God can push me to this level nobody can bring me down. Take it from me. So that is for that and I still want the guy though I'm a sort our out. Yeah. I'm a sort our out. But when the time comes, please don't buy pity for anybody. It is not my duty or your own duty to now judge. Maybe the video is edited, is the owner or not. When the time comes, I want to only more ju èmi àti yín lọ, wọ́n bá wa find out. One by fine because if you look at cocaine issue very well, only baba wa kan ní industry kí ná fi mú wálẹ̀ ọ̀rọ̀ cocaine ni. Mélòó nu wa ló máa rí bàbá yẹn ní industry lẹ́ni tó máa gbàdúrà kí bàbá òun kó sick to that level. Àwọn olórin kan, àwọn èèyàn jankan kan kí ná fi mú wọn wálẹ̀ ọ̀rọ̀ cocaine ni. When people accuse you of peddling cocaine, is a big issue. Ọlá pé mo strong. Ọlá pé Ọlọ́run dúró tì mí. Ọlá wí pé èmi náà kì í ṣọmọ bẹ́ẹ̀. If not, wọ́n ti gbéyàn gbìn. You know what it means for a woman to walk. Like I used to tell you guys, my daughter will be 24. I have waited without marriage, without having any kids, just for me to survive in the society. Just because I don't want to go back to poverty. I can decide to sell my body. I can decide to be a party goer. I can decide to be a runs girl. But hey, I didn't do all that. I walk. As I'm walking, you now see me as a target. You think I'm rich or I'm successful. If I'm rich enough, I won't be hustling again. How me ni ma hustle? Me ni ma hustle. Mo hustle. That is why I respect Arike. Some people tell me they want to live with me. You can't stay in the same house with me, except you have zeal. We don't sleep. We don't sleep, we don't eat. That's why I don't have stature. And why I work so hard is because I am afraid of poverty. I've told you guys so many times. I stay in church for so long. You don't know what it means to stay in church. Tó bá fẹ́ ṣe ìsìn aláboyún wà wà ńbẹ̀. ìsìn àwọn tó ń wáṣẹ́ wà ńbẹ̀, ìsìn àwọn tó ń wọkọ̀ wà ńbẹ̀, ìsìn aláboyún wà ńbẹ̀, ìsìn gbá no sleep. I've stayed in uncompleted building. Tójò bá ń rọ̀, me and my mom we be on our feet. Tójò yẹn máa fi parẹ́, I still have everything in my brain. It used to scare me. That's why I didn't get married. That's why I didn't put my hand in shady things. I don't even do it. My spirit doesn't do it. That's why I don't talk evil about people. That's why I don't do bad to people. Because I believe you can help me. And alhamdulillah, where I am today, it was people that helped me to this level. God sent. God sent. Aláàánú lóbìnrin lọ́kùnrin. So far so good. Àwọn ọ̀rẹ́ mi obìnrin wọ́n máa ń dúró fún mi. Wọ́n ní Lizzy ìwọ náà jẹ́ bẹ́ẹ̀. You think I'm fine? You think I'm rich? No, I'm always scared. Because no matter how rich you are, if you don't work hard, my sister, you can crumble within tickle of an eye. You can crumble. You can be broke at any time. When you are broke, you don't know value of life. But when you get to certain stage in life, you wouldn't want to go back. Because poverty is real and it's deadly. Poverty is deadly. Have you ever seen me to come out and call out my baby father's family? Though I lost my baby father when our daughter was a year, 8 months. I have been everything to that girl in my own little way. I have never dragged any family. And none of our family can say, okay, I need 1,000 alori omo. No. And apart from her being my own biological daughter, I have a couple of people that stay with me too. I don't call their family. I work so hard, not because of me alone, just to feed people, because I know what it means to be hungry. Because I don't want them to be hungry. When we cook, I don't eat until everybody eats and gets, okay. When I want to buy single clothes for my daughter, if I don't have money for others, I will never buy. That's why the clothes you will see on my daughter is the same clothes you will see on everybody that stay with me. Because I know what it means to live without clothes. When I come on social media to liberate you, I know what I'm doing. I know what I'm saying. Yesterday was my birthday. Some years back, I'm not used to birthday because I don't remember. We don't remember my birthday. Because ẹni tó bá jẹun tó yó ló máa rántí pé òun fẹ́ ṣe birthday. And why I go gaga, why I go crazy at times is, why are you doing this to me? Why are you pushing me? Why are you stampeding me? What have I done to you to deserve this? And that is what makes me go crazy. Leave me alone. I have a target. I don't want to go broke. I don't want to go back to uncompleted building. I don't want to hawk. Yesterday was my birthday. Àwọn tó ń ta ẹ̀wà àgọ̀yìn kó tó kó èmi àti màmá mi ní ẹ̀wà àgọ̀yìn. We hawk for them 6 months for free. Tó wọ́n fẹ́ kó wa ní ẹ̀wà àgọ̀yìn. A bá wọn kiri ẹ̀wà àgọ̀yìn lọ́fẹ̀ẹ́ fóṣù mẹ́fà. Mo ti ta Pitori. Mo ti ta Kunuri. Ask about me. Go and ask people about Lizzy Anjorin. I don't keep my story away from people. I tell people my story because if I don't tell you my story, a jẹ́ pé abara more jẹ́ ni mí. A jẹ́ pé mi ò more Olúwa. Má jẹ́ pé mi ò mọrí Olúwa. I am proud to tell the whole world that I'm a product of street, product of zero, product of underground, not grass. When you're a product of grass, it means you wake up, you see your father and mother. Probably you don't have money. But I'm a product of, when I wake up, the only person I see is my mother. At a point, when I wake up, I see nobody. No mother, no father. For a very long time. So I'm a product of underground. Before you come out as a blogger, go and do your background checkup. As a writer, as a journalist, go and do your background checkup. If you seek evidence, concrete one, bring it against me. That means to cocaine. Bring it against me. That means to rituals. Bring it against me. That means to prostitution. Bring it. You are free. I challenge you. I know what it means. You want my children to wake up tomorrow and they'll be looking for a job. One and one more, you have to be cocaine. No, I will fight for them. I'm not a moron, like I said. I can't just wake up and accuse someone. I can't just wake up and be calling someone names. But you all fell into that trap of pity. Saying, èèyàn kan ṣe bí money, ó ṣe ṣègbà ni mo jowó ẹ ni. How will I do that, for crying out loud? I don't even know this person exists. I went to Hajj with how much? Okay, let me tell you this. Gbogbo ẹ̀yin tá jọ lọ sí Hajj ní 2018. Àbí 2019. Mo challenge yín ọ̀rọ̀ tí mo fẹ́ sọ 2019. Tá jọ lọ sí Hajj. After Hajj, you all came home. I did not come home. I went to Italy. I went to Turkey. I went back to Jeddah. Do you know how many people that died in Mecca due to stress? Do you know how many people that died in Mecca? Go and ask people. Oh, when you go to Hajj, the stress alone kills. And when I'm tired, I talk to myself, Liz, you are tired. You need to stand up and walk. Poverty is deadly. And it can knock at any time. So stand up and walk. If you could remember 2019, the hotel tí mo wà ló múná. Tó ní kí n kúrò nínú iná yẹn. Mo ní no pé tó tẹ́rù bí máa jóná, kọ́tà mi náà jóná mọ́ iná yẹn. You all remember that time? 2019. Tí mo fi kó Mecca, tí mo fi lọ sọ́jà. Tí hotel mi fi múná. Sí Olúmíní wà náà tó ń ṣàdúrà fún mi pé pray for Lizzy Anjorin. Gbogbo ìgbà yẹn èpè ńlá lálẹ́ ń ṣẹ́ fọ́tá mi pé ọ̀tẹ̀ ò ní dé. Ìwọ́kẹ̀ ò ní dé láti Mecca yẹn. Ọ̀hun ló máa kú sí. Kí ni mo ṣe fún yín? Àti Mecca náà ti bully mi. Ṣé ọ̀rọ̀ cocaine yìí? Mi ò ṣe wèrè láti lọ mú èèyàn kan, láti kí ọrùn èèyàn kan mọ́lẹ̀. No. Fúnra ara wọn náà fẹnu ara wọn kó bára wọn. I was in that hotel. The hotel was on fire. And they were like, madam, leave your load. I said, me, go out. Everybody die here. I cannot leave my load. Ṣé mo ye fi tí mo fi sí mi kí ló dé wà ní brain mi ni pé báwo mo ṣe máa gbé ọjà mi sílẹ̀. Gbogbo tí mo ní láyé ni mo lọ fi rajà. Mo dé seko ẹ jẹ́ n rí mú mi. All because mo ti list gbogbo ìlú tí mo ń lọ. Ẹ wá lọ manipulate, ẹ lọ send email, ẹ ṣe gbé ẹ ṣàwo. Ẹ tún wá sáré wá sórí YouTube. Ẹ fẹ́ manipulate story yẹn. Kí ló dé, kí ló ṣẹlẹ̀? Can't you just live in peace for a second? Can't you just let go? What have I done? I don't know. Can't you just èmi tó dẹ̀ ń bá po mo stubborn bí pon mo Jẹ̀bú tí wọ́n ti process. Can't you just live in peace? Leave people. If you like social media, so be it. Me, I come on social media to advertise my business. post social media just to advertise my business, to put food on my table. Even after my wedding, I supposed to relax, enjoy my marriage. Abibeko, that is when I now double my hustle. You all can testify to that. And how you could come up with, is it your cocaine? I don't smoke. I don't drink. That is why, as a youth, when you live a good life, it's for you. And when you live a rough life, it's for you, not for your parents. I never believed in my whole life that people will come up with this kind of story against me. Imagine, to wáyé pé mo máa mutí, mo máa mu sìgá, mo máa lọ sí club. Èmi gan ọ̀tá mi àti kú ọ̀kọ́ta mi máa jẹyàn. Ọ̀kọ́ta mi máa jẹyàn. Do you know what helped me? You see, when you sell jewelry, when you travel, when they see jewelry in your box, they can stop you. When there is an allegation against you that you are into drugs, they can stop you and check you. That is why, as a youth, you must live a good life. You must live a good life. Tó bá jẹ́ pé mo mu nǹkankan ni, mo mu cocaine, àbí mo mu tramadol, àbí heroin, ẹ̀rù máa bà mí àti travel ni. Àbí tó wáyé pé mo ti mú rí nígbà tí mo dé Saudi, kan ló yá o, bó ṣe bọ́ sẹ́gbẹ́ yẹn o, ó yá ẹ̀jẹ̀ dà, nígbà tí mo fẹ́ jẹ́lẹ̀, kan lọ bá nǹkankan nínú stream mi. And one thing about people, it's not Naija o. If you don't have opportunity láti travel, you see, when they want to detect drugs on you, they don't need to see it. When they rub your hand, ó ti ní kankan tó máa fi scrub ọwọ́ wọn, tó bá ti gbé sínú machine yẹn ló máa sọ fún wọn pé ó ti mú rí, àbó ò mú, ó rí rí, àbó ò rí rí, ó gbé rí, àbó ò gbé rí. Machine yẹn máa sọ fún wọn instantly. It takes ẹni tó ti ro rẹ̀ pin tí ò rọ́nà àbáyọ ló máa lóun lọ gbé cocaine tí ò dẹ̀ travel rí. Ó dẹ̀ máa níbi tó ń brainwash ẹ̀dẹ́, ó máa ní àwọn èèyàn tó ń bá rìn. That is why we blame government, we blame our parents for some things. But hey, ègún táwa gan ti forí gbé ńkọ́. That is why mo wà conscious àti judge èèyàn. When you bring some topic to me, mo máa dànù ni, màá ní ṣó orí ṣó kámọ́. Nǹkan tí mi ò bá ti kámọ́ èèyàn lọ́mí, because ẹlòmíì wà tẹ́ pé ọ̀rọ̀ lásán ló máa sọ. Ìbànújáde wọnú ayé èèyàn, ìbànújẹ́ yẹn ò dẹ̀ ní jáde mọ́ torí pé o kàn sọ̀rọ̀ lọ́rọ̀ carelessly. How can you look at someone like me, someone like Lizzy Anjorin? Ìwọ Ọpẹ́yẹmí máa kọ́kọ́ block ẹ. Alhaja Ramadan is coming. Let's all live in peace. Irọ́ ingiragrani. Orí ẹ yí. Kó ṣì kó ń bíbà. Wèrè. How can you live in peace when some people does not even have peace of mind on your issue? Will Ramadan change these people? You have your mouth to fight for your right. You have your hand. There are some things you don't just consult God. Try and fight for your right. Say Ramadan, ṣé ilẹ̀ mímọ́ kọ́ ni mo ti ń bọ̀? Gbogbo yín rẹ́rìn. Ilẹ̀ mímọ́ kọ́ ni mo ti ń bọ̀ kí gbogbo yẹn tó ṣẹlẹ̀. Mọ̀ pé if I'm not strong with God, that case alone can make me challenge God and turn my back. Ìyẹn dẹ̀ lọ máa sin èṣù jẹ́jẹ́. Pa Ọlọ́run téèyàn lọ sìn, téèyàn finú kan lọ sìn, tí ó dẹ̀ wá dúró, ó dẹ̀ dúró, Ọlọ́run mọ nǹkan tó ń ṣe. Wàláhì tàláhì, Ọlọ́run mọ nǹkan tó ń ṣe. Ìtúrẹ̀ níjà Ọlọ́run ò ṣe gbè. Ọlọ́run mọ nǹkan tó ń ṣe o. Because that moment, Ọlọ́run fẹ́ kí n mọ̀ pé ọ̀tá wà, àwọn èèyàn ń dọdẹ, ogun wà, bọ́ mi ní jẹ́ kógun borí ẹ̀. because if I didn't go to that Mecca that 2019 bóyá by now ọ̀tá mi máa ti kú because àwọn tó ṣiṣẹ́ yìí wọ́n ti ń planet òun náà sì lélẹ́yìn sìn how can a blogger tó kí ló kún ẹ pẹ̀ lọ́rọ̀ èèyàn méjì ń jà. So ladies ẹ wo bẹ́ẹ̀ mi ṣe ń ṣiṣẹ́ yìí ọ̀pọ̀lọpọ̀ wa tó ń sọ́fà lẹ́nìí táwọn ìyá wa bá ṣiṣẹ́ báyìí tí wọ́n dúró sórí right wọn báyìí èmi àti òní sọ́fà lẹ́nìí. Èmi àti ẹ àní sọ́fà lẹ́nìí but àwọn òbí wa wọ́n ti ṣe tiwọn wọ́n ti lọ àbí bẹ́ẹ̀ kọ́ àwa ló kù kí làwa fẹ́ filẹ̀ fáwọn ọmọ wa. So nǹkan tó ṣẹlẹ̀ láàrin èmi àti bọ̀bọ̀ tí à ń dárúkọ ẹ̀yẹn nìyẹn o mo dẹ̀ sọ mo máa tún sọ ẹ má dárúkọ ọmọ mi Emmanuela ẹ má dárúkọ ẹ jọ̀ọ́ I beg you don't mention Emmanuela in this case please I beg in the name of Almighty Allah just leave that lady pray for her support her view her kí lorúkọ ẹ skit tó máa ń ṣe yẹn whatever you can do to promote her endorse her and do whatever you can do to support her. Hello ma.
Pray for her, support her, view her.
Hello ma. Bẹ́ẹ̀ ni ma ṣe fẹ́ dá sétò ni ma lórí show ma ẹ fẹ́ sọ̀rọ̀ àbí ok ma mo ń gbọ́ yín ma ṣé mo lè fi yín sí speaker ma ok ma mo wà pẹ̀lú yín ma.
Ẹ má lo màá fún mi àwọn ọmọ yín náà là ń sọ̀rọ̀.
Ìyá mi.
Mo fẹ́ sọ opinion mi ni màá bí mo ṣe feel because èmi ti ń follow yín tipẹ́tipẹ́ because mo like yín you and your own. She understand. I just like you. You are not a controversial person. But Sherry, nǹkan tí wọ́n sọ yìí, I know how you feel because kò ní dá kí wọ́n máa parọ́ mọ́ èèyàn. She understand. A lot of people love you because you just go on your own way. No. In fact, èmi gbà kan mo like you because ẹ kì í ṣe pẹ̀lú gbogbo àwọn ọmọ ní theatre which I like it very mo like yín gan. But ṣe wá rí nǹkan tó ṣẹlẹ̀ because nígbà míì náà tí wọ́n bá rí wípé ẹ̀yin àtẹnìkan ń jà I know to some extent you might have some proof against this person you are talking about because torí ẹ̀ lè ṣe ń tẹnumọ́ all the time but èmi mo fẹ́ kẹ́ fight ìjà yẹn straightforward so that people ò ní rí pé wọ́n ní àǹtí Lizzy láláṣejù she is just coming for this one person èmi gan even tẹ́ bá gbérú rúùtù ọ̀rọ̀ yìí jáde fún wa ẹni tó bá wà ń di ọ̀rọ̀ yẹn ayé ẹ̀ máa bàjẹ́ because a máa drag no matter who the person is because èèyàn ò lè fẹ́ bá ayé èèyàn jẹ́ kó lóun fẹ́ tún tiẹ̀ ṣe kò possible.
Ó sú mi o sísítà mi mọ bí yóò bá ṣe ń ṣe bẹ́ẹ̀.
kò possible àtọ̀ téèyàn bá sọ pé torí pé o ní fans èmi ò ní parọ́ fans Tóyìn Abraham ni mi bọ́ ó lè èèyàn ní sọ pé torí òun ní fans tó pọ̀ kó hide sí under kó fi bá tẹ̀ tó bá dọ̀la tẹ̀ fún wa ní proof.
ọ̀rọ̀ tẹ́ ń sọ yìí sísítà
èmi fúnra mi máa drag because èèyàn ò lè bírígì ẹgbẹ́ ẹ̀ wálẹ̀ torí pé o fẹ́ gùnkè gẹ́gẹ́ bí ọ̀rọ̀ bẹ́ẹ̀ ṣe sọ nípa bàbá kan nínú industry di ọ̀la kò sẹ́ni tó gbọ́rúkọ ẹni yẹn mọ́ yọ́dẹ́ lé olójú òní lajúlẹ̀.
kí tàlùbọ̀ kó wọ̀ àti pé sìstá kí ni tó yìí ṣe ẹ máa gbọ́ kí ni tó yìí ṣe
èmi fẹ́ kí tó bá ẹ wò bó jẹ́ ọlọ́pàá ẹni ìwé ẹ̀ tó máa fi bá wa rí ìdí ọ̀rọ̀ yìí.
ẹ máa gbọ́ mà.
we will be so happy mi ò fẹ́ káwọn èèyàn rí yín àtàláṣejù àbí kinní kan náà a lot of people love you bó ṣe mò ń gbà yẹn bó ṣe ń kà yín lára lẹ́ṣẹ̀ ń sọ so àwọn èèyàn believe pa àṣírí ó kàn wà against ẹni ó kàn ìbò èmi gan tí mo jẹ́ lọ́pàá yín gidi gan mọ́ ṣé woman yìí wá hate ẹni báyìí ló ṣe ní attack yìí.
ok sister hold on mo fẹ́ sọ wọn kan fún yín ọ̀tá jẹ́ ló máa ró ní tíátà kan ló máa lo hate ẹ ṣe yẹn lé ní. Tóyìn tá à ń sọ̀rọ̀ nípa ẹ̀ yìí personally èmi love ẹ̀ kìdẹ́ ń ṣòun nìkan ṣé ń gbọ́ mi ṣé wà lórí ìlà ṣé ń gbọ́ mi.
bẹ́ẹ̀ ni mà.
èmi love ẹ̀ èmi àti òun ṣọ lọ́rọ̀ like I said àrírarí but ẹ bá rántí there was a time ìjọ kan tó ń bu mo jáde tán fún ẹni yẹn ni tí mò ń defend ẹ̀.
bẹ́ẹ̀ ni mà.
tẹ bá rántí kíní yẹn àwọn tó close mọ́ ní industry ò jáde fún un àwọn tó close mọ́ ní industry wọn jáde fún mo kàn pé kí ni lady yìí ṣe ẹ̀dẹ̀ fi sílẹ̀ ṣe já wèrè ni ẹ rí i pé jíjáde fún tí mo jáde fún yẹn everybody dey turn back tẹ bá wo time yẹn wọ́n dey turn around ṣé you understand? And nǹkan tí mo ṣe ní interest nínú kéèsì yìí ni pé ṣé ń gbọ́ mi yálà èèyàn kan ló wà lábẹ́ ẹ̀ ni o because mi kì í ṣe ọmọ kékeré ṣé ń gbọ́ mi yá mi ẹ rí pé ńgbà tí ìjà yẹn ṣẹlẹ̀ ṣé rí èèyàn kan ò lè sọ pé aláṣejù lèèyàn kan because Jésù gan aláṣejù ni Ànábì wa Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam aláṣejù ni tẹ́ bá wo àwọn great people aláṣejù ni wọ́n ìwọ ló mọ bí tó ń lọ ìwọ ló mọ orí òótọ́ tó wà why tí mo fẹ́ take case bọ̀bọ̀ yẹn up ṣé ń gbọ́ mi tó o bá mention orúkọ mi o lè promote the other person yìí o ní láti promote mi torí o like mi just ẹ jẹ́ kí peace reign but promoting that person to bring me down you don't understand ó lè jẹ́ ṣé ara tiẹ̀ ló ń jẹ́ because tẹ́ bá wo case yẹn kò kàn yín tó kù sí nǹkan tó kàn àwọn ará Facebook o tẹ́ bá wo case yẹn kò kàn wọ́n recently àwọn artist àgbàlagbà méjì kan wọ́n gbára wọn létí àbí bẹ́ẹ̀ ṣó dórí Facebook ìtumọ̀ ẹ̀ ni wípé àwọn ẹlòmíì náà fẹ́ jàjà inú àwọn ara wọn wọ́n kàn sásábẹ́ case yẹn ni ṣé ń gbọ́ mi kan tí mi sọ mi ì dẹ́ ṣe ọmọ kékeré mi ì ṣe ọmọ kékeré mo mọ̀ nǹkan tí mò ń ṣe ṣé ti yé yín but like I said ọjọ́ tó bá yá a máa gbé ọ̀rọ̀ ẹ̀dẹ̀ mọ̀ mi tí bá sọ wípé mò ń bọ̀ pẹ̀lú receipt ẹ mọ̀ pé mò ń bọ̀ pẹ̀lú receipt ni ṣé yé yín because tó bá ṣe mí lóore mi ò ní gbàgbé tó bá ṣe mí níbi mi ò ní gbàgbé ṣé ti yé yín so ẹni yìí máa Ọlọ́run á fún wa ṣe kì í ṣe mí nìkan because ọ̀rọ̀ yìí ọ̀rọ̀ gbogbo wa ni ẹ̀yin náà ẹ wò tí mi ò bá gbé evidence síta àtúnyà òun ló ràn ó ní pé ọmọlọ́mọ sọ pé òun even tó bá rí bẹ́ẹ̀ I am sure pé ọmọ yẹn ò lè jáde kó sọ bẹ́ẹ̀ fún pé èmi sọ pé mi lọ ṣe nǹkan òun ni mo kọ́kọ́ pè ó ní àǹtí kan náà ní Amẹ́ríkà ọmọ kan ṣe náà bí o láyé lọ́rùn àǹtí yìí náà tẹ bá rí lọ́tọ́ pamọ́ mi gbà kéèsì yẹn wọ́n nílé mi ló ń gbé ó sọ àṣírí kan pamọ́ fún mi èmi wà lọ tú àṣírí àwọn ẹ̀bẹ̀ sí ní ṣe pé fọ́tà mi this is èèyàn tí mi ò rí rí àgbàlagbà délé ni bọ̀ǹkan tí mo kọ̀ mọ́ ni pé ẹni tó bá wà nídìí ìbàjẹ́ ọmọlàkejì ọkẹ́yàn méjì máa jà ọ̀kan máa fúngun mọ́ra wọn ọ̀run ayẹyẹ wọn ọ̀run adẹ́dọ̀tì wọn kan tí màá kọ́ sọ nìyẹn ẹ ṣé my sister God bless you ma yes ma
ìtìjú alágbára Ọlọ́run ẹnikẹ́ni tàbínú obìnrin wọn ò lè rí ti yín bàjẹ́ lórúkọ Jésù
àmín
lágbára Ọlọ́run
àmín ẹ ṣé ìyá mi
lágbára Ọlọ́run ẹ ṣé ma
àwọn èèyàn tí máa pa dátà ò torí pé ẹ fẹ́ ká lọ sí segment 3 ẹ ṣé ìyá mi God bless you ma hold on ẹ já lọ sí segment 3 o mo ní mo fẹ́ fún yín gift mo ti yọ dátà èrò ti pọ̀ jù mo ti yọ dátà o mi ní purọ́ fún yín mo ti yọ dátà o èrò ti pọ̀ jù mo ti yọ dátà ń sìn ẹ ní lè pè wọlé ẹ jẹ́ ká lọ sí segment 3 ẹ jẹ́ ká lọ sí segment 3 kọ́là ẹ ṣé gan ìyá mi ẹ má bínú mi ti ẹ̀ kọ́kọ́ béèrè orúkọ yín ẹ má bínú ìyá mi ẹ má bínú èmi ni mo yọ dátà yẹn because ẹni jẹ́ ká lọ sí segment 3 dátà ti so mo ti yọ because èrò pọ̀ gan yes so ṣé ká máa lọ sí segment 3 can we go to segment 3 so gbogbo ẹ̀yin tẹ́ ń sọ pé kí ni bàbá yẹn ṣe kí ni bàbá yẹn ṣe ẹ ti rí nǹkan tó ṣe nísìn so mi ò kọ̀ lè déédéé mo ti sọ fún YouTube yẹn ti pẹ́ àwọn ìwà tí YouTube yẹn wù ó pọ̀ tí ò dá tó dẹ̀ pé táwọn yẹn bá ti dé YouTube yẹn báyìí èpè náà máa ṣẹ́ ó yẹ kí n rí kan níbí báyìí ẹ má bínú o pé mo pause so kan tí mo kàn máa sọ ni wípé nọ́mbà yìí àwọn tó bá fẹ́ ralẹ̀ ni wọ́n máa ń pè sórí ẹ̀ o àwọn tó fẹ́ ralẹ̀ ẹ mọ̀ ẹ ṣáà mọ̀ tẹ́ bá fẹ́ ralẹ̀ tẹ́ bá fẹ́ ra body cream tó nice so nọ́mbà +44 yẹn ni tá bá ti parí ètò a ló mọ̀ o àwọn ti pa dátà tá bá ti parí ètò tẹ́ bá fẹ́ pè ẹ máa pè fún WhatsApp nìkan. ẹ ẹ wò same YouTube o Lizzy Anjorin slap Toyin Abraham in public so possible so a máa wá Ọlọ́run á fún wa ṣe. Oh. Hello ma.
Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Yes ma, ẹ káàsán ma, ṣé dáadáa la wà ma o, mọ́mí wa.
Ẹ wò ẹ jẹ́ kí n kọ́kọ́ kí yín happy birthday kẹ́ fi smile sójú yín ná.
Ẹ ṣé ma.
Ojú yín tí mo rí lẹ́yìn ọ̀sán yìí mi ò láìkẹ́ ẹ kọ́kọ́ fi smile fún happy birthday.
Ẹ ṣé ìyá mi.
Ẹ ṣe ọ̀pọ̀lọpọ̀ ọdún láyé nínú ọlá ńlá àlàáfíà àti ìfọ̀kànbalẹ̀. Gbogbo èso tó jáde lára yín Ọlọ́run á ṣe wọ́n lólu ọmọ yín ṣáàlá òbíjà ìrọ̀sùlù láì. Sọ́yà àdúrà kan tí bàbá yín gbà lọ́dọ̀ Ọlọ́run ni pé wisdom òye ìmọ̀ wisdom knowledge and understanding Ọlọ́run á bá mi fún yín lálékún ẹ̀ àlékún tẹ́ fi ní ṣìṣe tẹ́ fi ní ṣìwàwù tẹ́ dẹ̀ fi ní tẹ́ lọ́wọ́ ọmọ aráyé tó fi ní ìfẹ́ yín Ọlọ́run á fún yín lálékún ẹ̀ inshallah òbíjà ìrọ̀sùlù láì. ọlá Mẹ́kà Mẹ́dínà tẹ́ dé yẹn ṣé wàá rí gbogbo èèyàn tó wà lábẹ́ òkùnkùn tó ń ta fàṣínú ìmọ́lẹ̀ àwọn Yorùbá máa ń sọ pé tó ṣe bí òwe máa ń pé ilẹ̀ máa mú ṣìkà wọ́n kàn ti máa bà nǹkan tó dáa tó dáa
ó máa ti bàjẹ́ o.
Ọlọ́run adé ṣe àwọn pípù yìí náà ní òye láti mọ̀ wípé gbogbo owó tẹ bá pa nínú kiri tẹ bá fi rán ọmọ lọ́lẹ̀wé ọmọ yẹn ò lè jẹ́ èèyàn burúkú tẹ bá ti ṣe náà ẹ máa dànù ni Ọlọ́run á ṣí wọn lóye wọn á lè mú. àmọ́ mà ìmọ̀ àtọpọlọ tẹ máa fi ní sùúrù láti yanjú ẹ Ọlọ́run á bá mi fún yín inshallah òbíjà ìrọ̀lẹ́ gbogbo nǹkan tẹ máa ń wò ní dáadáa tó ń dùn mọ́ yín nínú Ọlọ́run ò ní fọwọ́ bàjẹ́ kan gbogbo àtẹ̀yẹ tọ́ọ̀chì àtiwá náà tẹ́ ń fún wa ní tẹ́ ń wá sírí láì tẹ́ fi múnú wa dùn gbogbo ibi tí bàtà ti ń tẹ̀ yín náà lẹ́sẹ̀ Ọlọ́run á bá yín fi èròrò ìtura sí ẹ jọ̀ọ́ mà ẹ fi sùúrù ṣe gbogbo àtàdé nífẹ̀ẹ́ yín náà Ọlọ́run ò ní yọ̀ fẹ̀yìn kúrò lọ́kàn àtàjèrè aṣèwòjèrè àjèrè kójọ àkójọ fi ṣe rere bẹ́ẹ̀ ní ìmàlẹ́ lágbára lọ́wọ́ Ṣẹ̀gbọ́n Alájà, thank you so much. A big fan of yours.
Thank you, I trust you.
Thank you so much. Ó yẹ rẹ́rìn o, mo ti rẹ́rìn láìpẹ́ mo fẹ́ rí kẹ́ rẹ́rìn.
Mo ti rẹ́rìn, mo dẹ̀ ní gift fún yín. So kẹ́ dúró sórí ètò kẹ́ lè gba gift yẹn. Ẹ ṣé ìyá mi, God bless you ma. Hello my sister. Hello my sister, ma. Hello ma. Hello ma. Mo wà pẹ̀lú ìyá mi. Hello sister, mo wà pẹ̀lú yín ma. Mo wà pẹ̀lú yín. Hello ma. Network. Hello ma. Hello sir. Hello my sister. Yes ma. Hello ma. Hey. Hello my sister ma.
Hello Alájà.
Ma.
Hello.
Ìyá mi mo wà pẹ̀lú yín, mo wà ń bí. Ṣé
Hello Alájà.
Mo wà pẹ̀lú yín ṣé ìyá mi, mo wà ń bí ṣé.
Happy belated birthday o.
Èmi ni ó yá nǹkan birthday mi dà.
Happy belated birthday.
Ẹ ṣé ìyá mi, ẹ ṣé mà nǹkan birthday mi dà o.
Àṣèyí ṣàmọ́dún o.
Àmì Ọlọ́run.
Ojú á máa rọ́dún o.
Àmì ìyá mi àtẹ̀yìn náà, àmì Olúwa.
So nǹkan tèmi fẹ́ sọ lórí ọ̀rọ̀ tó wà nílẹ̀ yìí àbí nǹkan tí gbogbo àwọn èèyàn náà ti sọ.
Yes ma.
Ọlọ́run á fún yín ní sùúrù.
Àmì ma.
And then the other thing tí mo fẹ́ sọ ni pé mo fẹ́ kẹ́ mọ̀ pé nílẹ̀ ayé yìí oríṣiríṣi èèyàn ló wà o.
Bẹ́ẹ̀ ni ma.
Mi ní sọ pé Tóyìn mọ́ ṣùgbọ́n mo fẹ́ kẹ́ mọ̀ pé àwọn míì gan wà wọ́n ń lo àǹfààní pé torí pẹ̀yìn àti Tóyìn ń jà wọ́n máa ṣe nǹkan oríṣiríṣi.
Òun náà ni mo sọ.
tó dẹ̀ pé ẹ̀yin ò ní mọ̀ pé kò kí n ṣe Tóyìn.
Ṣé mo pé mi àti Tóyìn ò jà ṣá sísà?
Nǹkan tèmi kàn ń gbèrò ni pé bóyá ẹ̀yin àti Tóyìn ẹ̀ sì máa jókòó níjọ́ kan kí kálukú yín kẹ́ ẹ sọ nǹkan tó wà nínú ara yín síta sódà kò ní máa yẹ pé ibi tá à ń fojú sí ọ̀nà ò gbàbẹ̀ lọ. And then orí YouTube tẹ̀ ń wò yẹn oríṣiríṣi àwọn èèyàn ló wà ń bẹ̀ torí pé YouTube máa ń sanwó fún àwọn ẹlòmíì so wọ́n kàn fẹ́ traffic kí traffic máa wá sọ́dọ̀ àwọn tí wọ́n máa fi oríṣiríṣi headline
okay ó ṣe pé jọ birthday yín nìsín náà gbé pé Ìyábọ̀ Òjó Tóyìn o Láìdé Bákàrè ẹni pé wọ́n tún fẹ́ dá wàhálà oríṣiríṣi sílẹ̀ tí ó bá yẹ pé iná fi ọgbọ́n ṣe là ní àárọ̀ yìí ní báyìí ìjà mi ò bá tún ti ṣẹlẹ̀ àwọn èèyàn ní à Lizzy tún ti dé bọ̀ bí nǹkan tó sọ kò sí ẹni tó bá mọ̀ lára máa ta Ọlọ́run ní ṣe wá ní oníwàhálà gbogbo kùjẹkùjẹ náà gbogbo bí tí gbogbo ẹnikẹ́ni tó bá wà nínú òkùnkùn tó ń ta fà sínú mọ́lẹ̀ náà Ọlọ́run máa fojú wọn ṣùgbọ́n mo fẹ́ kẹ́ máa ní mind yín pé it's not every time Tóyìn it's not every time Ìyábọ̀ other people are there tẹ́yìn kan rò pé wọ́n fẹ́ràn yín ṣùgbọ́n wọ́n ń lo opportunity pẹ̀yìn àti Tóyìn nǹkan kan wà láàrin yín wọ́n dẹ̀ ń ṣe nǹkan míì ṣùgbọ́n bí ẹ̀bẹ́yìn náà ṣe sọ pé ní ọlá Kábà ní ọlá Mẹ́kà àti Mẹ̀dínà gbogbo àwọn èèyàn tó wà nínú òkùnkùn tó parapọ̀ tí wọ́n fẹ́ máa jẹ́ káwọn èèyàn máa rò pé ní wàhálà ni Ọlọ́run máa táṣìírí wọn gbogbo nǹkan tẹ̀dẹ̀ ń gbàdúrà fún náà Ọlọ́run máa mú wá sẹ́yìn ṣe ìgbà ìyọdún tó ń bọ̀ lágbára Ọlọ́run àsọkalẹ̀ àǹfààní ọmọ ayọ̀ ọmọ alálàáfíà àwọn ìtẹ́tí nílẹ̀ náà Ọlọ́run ò ní pa wọ́n.
sísá mi ṣe ń gbọ́ mi mà.
ìyá mi ẹjọ́ ẹ ní sùúrù ẹjọ́ Ọlọ́run ò ní báyìí lórúkọ jẹ́ ẹjọ́ establish ẹ máa establish náà ní lágbára Ọlọ́run nínú ọdún àwẹ̀ tó ń bọ̀ yìí gbogbo nǹkan tẹ ní lọ́kàn tẹ nílérò gbogbo èròǹgbà yín Ọlọ́run máa mú wá sí i so kẹ́ ẹ ní wonderful day o bye.
Yes ma. Sista tán sọ̀rọ̀ tán yẹn mo ní ọ̀rọ̀ kékeré tí mo fẹ́ sọ ni wípé ṣe rí industry wa ẹ jẹ́ ń yọ kí ló kọ wifi ẹ jẹ́ ń yọ wifi ṣe rí industry wa ṣé ń gbọ́ mi kì í ṣe industry nìkan láàrin ẹbí láàrin ará láàrin ojúlùmọ̀ ló ti máa ń ṣẹlẹ̀ ète tẹ̀m̀bẹ̀lẹ̀kún ìkà and it takes ẹni tó ní làákàyè tọ́lọ́ndẹ̀ bless pẹ̀lú ọgbọ́n orí láti làájá ọ̀rọ̀ táwa ń sọ ìṣe nítorí àwa jẹ́ ni táyé mọ̀ ni àwọn ẹlòmíì láàrin àdúgbò àwọn ẹlòmíì níbi iṣẹ́ náà ti máa takora náà ti máa ṣèkà fúnra wọn ṣó ti yé yín bọ̀ nǹkan tèmi kàn máa mọ̀ ni wípé tèmi kàn fẹ́ sọ fún gbogbo wa ni wípé wọ́n ní ìwọ lẹ́nìí ìwọ lánàá bí ẹkún àpọ̀kọ̀jẹ́ ṣe rí Ọlọ́run tóbi lọ́ba ẹ̀rù Ọlọ́run máa ń bà mí gan torí pé ìjà ò ṣe gbè tẹ bá dẹ̀ wo àwọn ẹni bí wọ́n máa ń rí bí farapamọ́ gan for very long time but àtúbọ̀tán ṣì ń bọ̀ wá bá wọn o bọ́ máa farapamọ́ ṣe wá rí. Even if you are my enemy, I don't see you as my enemy. That is one thing about me. I believe I don't have enemy. And I don't believe you hate me. Then man, if you want to hate me, go and hate me, go call me. I don't see you as my enemy. Because without enemy, you won't be great in life. Nǹkan tó kàn lè dùn mí ni pé why tó jẹ́ pé sábàbí ibú ni wọ́n wá jẹ́. Nǹkan tó lè dùn mí because a ní ọ̀pọ̀lọpọ̀ èèyàn tó jẹ́ sábàbí ire. Tó dẹ̀ pé oore náà máa ṣe. Ṣó ti yé yín èmi ò lè sọ pé èèyàn kan tafa èèyàn kan ò tafa case tó wà lẹ́yìn mi sọ pé àwọn èèyàn ò sásá bẹ́ẹ̀ but the fact remains that tí wọ́n bá ń pè èèyàn lábì fúnra ìrà ó máa ń kó ìfun ẹ̀ kúrò lẹ́ẹ̀ni ìwọ lẹ́ni ìwọ lánàá ìwọ níbí ìwọ lọ́hùn lójoojúmọ́ ẹni ẹ̀ náà ní láti do better. Because if you use my name to bring my peoples down, I will ma check pé fún ẹni ma pè ẹ ma bínú because mo pé tá lọ bá lọ àbọ̀ máa bọ̀. Tí àlọ́ bá lọ àbọ̀ máa bọ̀. So èèyàn kan ló wà lábẹ́ ẹni o èèyàn kan ló wà lórí ẹni o àdúrà tèmi gbà ni pé k'Ọlọ́run bá láàánú kó bá wa tú àṣírí ẹni yẹn kó dẹ̀ fẹ́ nìyẹn ṣẹ̀sìn. Àdúrà tèmi gbà nìyẹn because tí ẹni ò bá ti ṣẹ̀sìn tẹ́ni yóò báyìí tí ṣẹ̀sìn kò ń ṣèyàn kan dò kò ní dùn ọ̀rọ̀ onídùn sọ and I want people to know pé èmi o gbogbo wọn o Ìyábọ̀ o everybody o gbogbo wa là ń sọ̀rọ̀ kẹ́nibọ̀dì má sọ pé òun fáànù ẹnìkan òun fẹ́ kú sórí kéèsì èèyàn kan we talk. Ọ̀rọ̀ wá dàbí politician ni if you kill yourself because you are APC or PDP these people are meeting behind the closed door. So if you think I'm a fan I want to destroy one person artist tó ń gbèjà yẹn gangan ló fẹ́ destroy. Artist gangan tó ń gbèjà yẹn ló fẹ́ destroy. Oh, they destroy artist yẹn ara ẹ̀ ló ń destroy because most people tó jẹ́ fans ló need ìrànlọ́wọ́. Àwọn artist wọ́n ti gbé tí wọ́n débì kan, wọ́n ti lórúkọ fún family wọn, they are doing fine, they are doing well. What is your own position in the society? What is your own position? Tó máa fi pé ẹ̀dá torí pé mo love lágbájá, mo lọ bá mú lágbájá wálẹ̀. Ìwọ kọ́ lọ́lọ́run ò lè anybody wálẹ̀. Bí ọ̀rọ̀ ti máa ń sọ, ṣé rí ẹ̀dá kan ni máa ń bẹ̀rù kó má ṣe pé fún mi. Ṣé mọ̀ ẹni tó lọ bá ń gbàdúrà ẹ̀. Kò sẹ́ni tó lọ bá ń gbàdúrà ó máa lówó, ó máa ṣoríire, ó máa lókè, ó máa lálùbáríkà. Ṣé ẹni tí Ọlọ́run bá ń gbàdúrà ẹ̀ kò sí nǹkan tó máa sọ tọ́lọ́run ò ní gbọ́. Because Ọlọ́run kọjú sẹ́ni yẹn ó ń gbọ́ tiẹ̀ lọ́wọ́. Tó bá ṣépè ó máa ṣẹ. Tó bá gbàdúrà ó máa gbà. Yorùbá tó wá sọ̀rọ̀ wọ́n ní pé ẹjọ́ la máa bógun rò ká tó sá. Ní 2019 mo ń pòwe kan fún yín. Mo ní ẹni tó bá wùwé pìgbà tẹ́ gbọ́dí jáde tó ń ṣépè gbẹ̀gbẹ̀gbẹ̀gbẹ̀gbẹ̀. Mo kọ̀ rẹ́rìn mọ̀kọ́ tó pa mí lẹ́rìn. Mo search heart mi. Mo gbé mi ìṣẹ́ anybody. Mo wá sọ gbólóhùn kan mo ní ẹni tó bá wùwà àdúrà kí gbogbo àgbáyé máa ṣépè fún Ọlọ́run ò ní jẹ́ kí èpè kan kó kàn. Bọ̀ ẹni tí ayé ń gbàdúrà fún tó dẹ̀ jẹ́ ìwà ìpè ló wà lọ́wọ́ ẹ̀ mo ní pé onítọ̀hún ò ní lálùyọ láyé. Ó lè máa pretend ẹ o kó máa ṣe o kò ní lálùyọ nítorí pé nídìí ìbàjẹ́ òun bá gbájẹ́ òun bá gbá ó máa padà bá láàánú ẹ jẹ́. Ó máa padà bá láàánú ẹ jẹ́. Ọjọ́ kan mo sọ nǹkan kan mo ní pé tó bá ní pé Lizzy rẹ o Mercy rẹ o wà máa ní I prefer Lizzy than Mercy. Mercy ti ṣoríire Lizzy ti ṣoríire. Ta ni wọ́ láti prefer lágbájá ju èèyàn kan lọ. You can o lè ní favourite o lè love èèyàn tó fẹ́ love wọn bọ̀ má sì nídìí ìbàjẹ́ wọn torí pé àwọn people yẹn Ọlọ́run ló dá wa ò kì í ṣe èèyàn. Some of us want to live a quiet life. Some of us want to live a large life. We want to live a beautiful life. We want to have our children, our husband, our kiniko. Bọ́lọ̀ ń ṣe wá lélẹ̀. So kò sí ìtókùn ẹ̀ bí mo ṣe máa ń sọ fún yín. But ìwọ ló máa affect because the more tẹ́ ṣe ń fara ní èèyàn kan lẹ́ni yẹn náà máa sá pẹ̀lú orí ọwọ́ ẹ̀. Ó dẹ̀ lè jẹ́ pé ọwọ́ ẹni yẹn lórí tiẹ̀ wà. So mo máa ń sọ fún yín big secret ni. Big secret ni. Blogger yìí Ọlọ́run á bá wa máa wò lè dámú. Blogger yìí Ọlọ́run á bá wa àwò lè dámú o. A lè mú. Kò bá la ìfẹ́ mu. Ọlọ́run ló máa bá wa mú. Tọ́lọ́run bá dẹ̀ ti mú. A jẹ́ kẹ́ máa mọ̀ pé Ọlọ́run ti bá wa mú. So àwọ̀ ò lè mú. But ẹ má jẹ́ ká máa ra pity. Gbà tí mo post lẹ́ẹ̀kan àwọn kan ti lọ ń sọ ìní kan kí ló ṣe Emmanuela Mike Angel iṣẹ́ ìṣe tẹ́ ẹ ṣe nìyẹn tẹ́ fi bà gbogbo ẹ̀ jẹ́ ní Nàìjíríà ẹ dìbò fẹ́yàn kan ìlà o ẹni yẹn àwọn ọ̀rẹ́ ló máa enrich ẹni yẹn ó ti kówó jẹ rí eléyìí pity ìbàjẹ́ tó bá yẹ pé Nàìjíríà ni Trump wà á wọlé ẹlẹ́ẹ̀kejì tí nǹkan kò ní ṣẹlẹ̀ ẹ má máa jẹ́ ká ra pity out of how can I put it? Ẹ má jẹ́ ká máa ra pity out of pé ìlara tó ń bà wá jẹ́ nìyẹn. We always buy pity out of ìlara. Àdé ń lára ẹni tí ò ní ẹni tó ní la máa lára. So ẹni tá wá dìbò fún sí tó jọ rẹ̀ mẹ̀kúnnù. Gbogbo ẹ̀ enjoy ẹ̀. Èmi enjoy ẹ̀. Ṣẹ́yìn ò enjoy ẹ̀. Ẹ gbọ́dọ̀ enjoy ẹ̀. Ẹ gbọ́dọ̀ enjoy ẹ̀ ní enjoy kíni. Ẹ máa enjoy ẹ̀. So ẹ jẹ́ kí arọra máa fi kẹrin ara máa gbé wa wò kò sẹ́ni tó ya wèrè o kò dẹ̀ sẹ́ni tí wà láwọn ṣé ti ẹ̀rú àwa ta láìkì owó báyìí èmi tí mo wà mo láìkì owó gan kí ni pé mo láìkì owó lásán mo ń ṣiṣẹ́ nítorí pé Ọlọ́run má jẹ́ kí ni Ọlọ́run má jẹ́ kéèyàn broke ọmọ ẹ̀ kéèyàn broke ọmọ ẹ̀ gbogbo ìtẹ̀ ìwò mi ọmọ ẹ̀ ká broke so ẹ jẹ́ ká lọ sí segment 3 ẹ má yẹ kí because èèyàn kan péré là ń sọ̀rọ̀ ẹ̀ látàárọ̀ ẹ wo numbers ẹ̀yin èèyàn tẹ́ celebrate mi lánàá I think I should create time for you guys too. ẹ ti dìbò. So God bless you. And only if everyone had your type of heart. This àbí èmi jẹ́yẹ̀jẹ́ mi mò ń lọ jẹ́yẹ̀jẹ́ mi bí mo ṣe wà yìí ibi tí ò bá ti ní yọwọ́ ẹ̀ lè bá Lizzy ń bẹ̀ mo like owó gan mo like ibi tó bá máa yọwọ́ ẹ̀ bá mi ń bẹ̀ kí ọ̀tá mi máa kú lọ báyìí business ni àtowó. So let's go to segment 3. Segment 3 yẹn mo wá sọ fún yín mo ní pé kẹ́ gbómi wá ká tó lọ sí segment 3 ẹ má gbàgbé pé à ń ta ilẹ̀ à ń ta ilé à ń ta sóyòyò à ń ta pọ̀nmọ́ funfun à ń ta irun mi jọ̀lọ̀. ẹ má gbàgbé láti mú kọ́sítọ́mà wá. ẹni ní only if people know the true you. People will know. They will know, and if they don't know, God knows. Tọ́lọ́run bá ti mọ̀ àbùṣebùṣe is not a must. Everybody knows how good or how nice you are. Tọ́lọ́run bá ti mọ̀ tí àbájọṣepọ̀ èèyàn àtọ́lọ́run bá ti dán mọ́rán àti wà okay. Number of people to make impact in life wọn òun ló wà very important. Kì í ṣe number of people to destroy. Number of people to destroy tó bá ní àǹfààní láti wà níbi tí wọ́n ti irú èmi sìn ìjọ́ tí màmá mi kú ó jẹ́ kí n rí other side of life. You don't understand? Mo dẹ̀ rí couple of people tá ti rí tá ní rí mọ́ kọ́lọ́n kó ṣe gbogbo alẹ́lẹ́mí gígùn kó fún alẹ́mí gígùn àtàlàáfíà. So kò sí nǹkan tó wọ̀tì láyé láti fún ka mọ́. Then ilé ayé yìí kó kọ wo yan ṣoṣù kó wo pé ó ṣàfẹ́ bá tẹni jẹ́ ó dẹ̀ mórí mú ó sápamọ́ ó quiet ó dẹ̀ àfikí tẹni ìbàjẹ́ kò dà fẹ́ni ẹlẹ́ni ilẹ̀ ó lè jẹ́ pé ẹniyẹn lórí ẹ wà lọ́wọ́ ẹ̀ you know ó lè jẹ́ ẹniyẹn lórí ẹ I'm serious o we were like Lizzy tẹ bá mọ oore tí Ọlọ́run ṣe fún mi irú àwọn èèyàn tí Ọlọ́run gbé tì mí ó bá yàláyà kòkè kó má da fóògùn owó kó bàjẹ́ fóògùn owó kò sí nǹkan tó dùn tó láyé yìí kò ní èèyàn lẹ́gbẹ̀ẹ́ kò ní ìṣòro kò dẹ̀ pé ọ̀rẹ́ mi mo ní ìdí báyìí kò dẹ̀ provide ẹ̀ kò sáṣìírí bíbò tó dá tó kò sí àṣírí bíbò tó dá tó láyé yìí kò fẹ́ lọ sọ́jà ó fẹ́ ra nǹkan ni kódà ó fẹ́ ra mọ́tò ó fẹ́ ra ilé kọ́ ló ń gbé ẹ ti àwọn èèyàn àwọn ọ̀rẹ́ gidi tó máa sọ fún ẹ pé ókè kíní yẹn ló fẹ́ ra ó yá gbà even láàrin ọkọ àtìyàwó obìnrin míì lé níyì 100,000 naira péré ló ní láti fi jẹ́yàn láyé ọkùnrin míì 500,000 ló ní ìdílé láti fi jẹ́yàn láyé bọ̀ kò réyàn fún. Meeting good people, meeting them is a big deal. Destroying good people in the society, big deal ni, because you are not just cutting them alone. You are cutting some people tó yẹ kó jẹ lára wọn. You are it's just like ẹ lọ ṣe jàmbá. Ẹlòmíì rìn kiri lẹ́ni kò jẹ́yàn lẹ́ni nítorí pé aláàánú ẹ̀ ti filẹ̀ sáyé lọ. Wọ́n ti pa láàánú ẹ̀. Màmá tó bí lè wá náà tó pa láàánú ẹ̀. Bí ẹni tó lọ sílùú ni tó gbé mọ́tò lọ tó ṣe tó mọ̀ ìyá yẹn bímọ tiẹ̀ o bó ti gbàgbé pòun bímọ ó wá ṣoògùn kẹ́ni yẹn kú ẹni yẹn wá ń lọ ó ń padà wá sí kó wá kú meanwhile àfihàn pé next ìlú tẹ́ni yẹn ń bọ̀ ó ń bọ̀ wá mọ́mọ́ tiẹ̀ lọ ṣoríire lẹ́kọ̀ọ́ àbí ìlú òyìnbó ni. So ire ó wà nínú ibi wà nínú ire kó tó bẹ̀rẹ̀ sí ní ṣe ìkà think twice ẹni tí mo fẹ́ ṣèkà sí yìí jẹ́ kí n ròye èèyàn tó ń jẹ lábẹ́ is very important very important nílé ayé kẹ́ tó hate èèyàn kẹ́ tó sọ̀bàjẹ́ èèyàn tí ẹlòmíì bá sọ̀rọ̀ ìbàjẹ́ báyìí rò pé wà ń bẹ̀ ni á dẹ̀ sọ á máa fọwọ́ gbárí á máa ṣe á máa mọ̀ á dẹ̀ máa mú wá pẹ̀lú proof ẹ̀ wá ní kó nítàn kó ṣoríire. Aruki ni look at the day you and your husband came to my rescue, a day I can never forget. Love you, thank you, we love you too. So ẹ jẹ́ ká máa ro dáadáa o ẹ jẹ́ ká gbogbo èèyàn tó bá sọ̀rọ̀ cocaine sìn wọ́n ti forí gbé tiwọn nìyẹn. Let's go to segment 3 pápápá segment 3 pápápá gbogbo ẹ̀yin tẹ́ lò mí lánàá ẹ ní fọwọ́ gbọ́mọ sìn gbogbo ẹ̀yin segment 3 we are in segment 3 now àti kò ní segment 1 gbogbo ẹ̀yin tẹ́ lò mí lánàá pátápátá ẹ ní fọwọ́ gbọ́mọ sìn nínú àìní yín lẹ ti mú I don't know your I don't know what you have in your account. You probably you have billions. I don't know. But inú àìní náà ṣì ni mo sọ. Tẹ́tí celebrate mi. Ọ̀run á bá mi dúpẹ́ lọ́wọ́ yín. Ọ̀run á bá mi dúpẹ́ lọ́wọ́ yín. Mo fi ọlá ọjọ́ tí mo wáyé mo fi tọrọ fún yín. Ikú òjijì ò ní pè mí àti yín tọmọtọmọ. Mo fi ọlá ọjọ́ tí mo wáyé tọrọ fún yín. Nítorí wípé níjọ́ tí ọlẹ̀ mi sọ nínú ìyá mi ò mọ̀, bàbá mi ò mọ̀, èmi fúnra mi ò mọ̀. Rírí jẹ, rírí mu, rírí ná yín. Ọmọ aráyé ò ní rí díẹ̀ lágbára Ọlọ́run. Just 1 second, I'm coming. Mbọ̀. Rotimi. Rufaidat, orúkọ eléyìí kò sí mi lẹ́nu. Rufi. Ẹjọ́ bá ń pè daddy, wọ́n ń pè mí lórí line. Ẹjọ́ bá ń pè wọ́n. A second. Bá ṣe ń gbàdúrà ọkùnrin pé wọlé, it means pé àdúrà wa ti gbà. Bá mi pè wọ́n, jọ̀ọ́ bá mi pè wọ́n. Okay. So mi ò mọ nǹkan tẹ́ ń wá, mo fẹ́ fi ra mi ṣe point of contact fún yín. I don't know what you are begging. I don't know what you really want God to do for you. What you've been begging him for. That thing that's been making you cry behind that your closed door. I don't know. But I pray for you today. God will answer your prayer. God will surely answer your prayer. This segment is pure Yoruba. I just want to pray for you. I feel like praying for you. Mọ́mì mi dáàdì mi tó ń wò mí, ìran ìgbín kan ò kí ń pàdé aláàánú. Ìran ìjàpá kan ò kí ń pàdé aláàánú. Ní gbogbo ọjọ́ ayé yín, àṣẹ ìgbín àti ìjàpá tá pa sílé ayé yín àti ilé ayé mi tí mo ṣàdúrà fún yín. Ó di gbérélé ní Ọlọ́run bàjẹ́. Láti èní lèmi àti yín máa bẹ̀rẹ̀ sí ní pàdé aláàánú. Kò sẹ́ni tó máa rọ́ ọmọ tuntun tí ò ní dunnú. Kò sẹ́ni tó máa rówó tí ò ní dunnú. Kò sẹ́ni tébi ń pa tó bá róúnjẹ tí ò ní dunnú. Kò síbi tèmi àti yín dé tọ́mọ aráyé ò ní dunnú sí wa lágbára Ọlọ́run. Ojú ò kí ń tọ́tí láwùjọ. Ojú ò kí ń ti owó. Ìran ìyọ̀kan ò kí ń tẹ́ nínú ọbẹ̀. Ẹ ní tẹ́. Ojú ò ní tì èmi àti yín. Àní tẹ́. Ìrèdí méjì. Ẹ̀yin àti àwọn warriors. Ẹ lọ bá mi fún àwọn tí ò ní oúnjẹ. Ẹ lọ bá mi fún wọn lóúnjẹ lánàá. Ebi ò ní pa yín. Ebi àárọ̀ ò ní pa yín. Ebi ọ̀sán ò ní pa yín. Ebi alẹ́ ò ní pa gbogbo yín lágbára Ọlọ́run. Ebi ò ní pa yín. Gbogbo àwọn mọ́mì mi, àwọn dáàdì mi, àwọn uncle mi, Ellen Paul, everybody, Mercy, everybody. They celebrate mi lánàá. Ojú ò ní tì yín títí láyé. Ojú ò ní tì yín títí láyé. Mo rí yín lọ́dún ìmá tún rí yín lọ́dún tó ń bọ̀. Níwòyí àmọ́dún àti jù báyìí lọ nínú owó, ọmọ, àlàáfíà, àìkúbálẹ̀ ọ̀rọ̀. Gbogbo ìdáwọ́lé wa pátápátá ló máa yọrí sí rere. Màálù tẹ́ ń wò yẹn ló máa ń fẹ́ sí ara ẹ̀ rìn lọ síbi tán ti máa pa. Èmi àti yín ò ní fẹ́ sí ara wa rìn lọ síbi tán ti máa pa wá lágbára Ọlọ́run. Èmi àti yín à ní fẹ́ sí ara wa rìn lọ síbi tán ti máa pa wá. Wọ́n ní inú ẹjọ́ ẹlẹ́jọ́ lobì ń kú sí. Ọ̀rọ̀ tá a mọ́wọ́ tá a mẹsẹ̀ à ní bá wọn kó sínú ẹ̀. Àwọn ọmọ wa ò ní pàdé àgbákò. À ní pàdé lénìní nídìí iṣẹ́. Nílé ọkọ à ní pàdé lénìní. Nídìí ilé ìyá àti bàbá à ní pàdé lénìní lágbára Ọlọ́run. lágbára ní pàdé lẹ́nìí ni ó kéré ó tóbi ọmọdé ni o àgbà ni o ìṣọkùnrin ni ìṣobìnrin ni tó jẹ́ lẹ́nìí ni ní pàdé wọn tí wọ́n bá ń ta ikú ní £1 kò ní déwájú wa tí ibi bá ń bọ̀ lẹ́yìn kò ní bá wa tó bá ń lọ wájú àníbá lẹ́gbẹ̀ẹ́ ọ̀tún àti lẹ́gbẹ̀ẹ́ òsì kò ní dọ́dọ̀ wa. èrè lójú owó rí ire lèmi àti yín máa rí ọwọ́ yín yìí owó lè máa fi kà ní fi gbọ́mọ sìn. níjọ́ tó bá di oríire èmi àti yín wọn ò ní dúró ìṣẹ́jú kan fún èmi àti yín. àwa tá a ṣẹ́gun sí náà la máa dúró jẹ agbára Ọlọ́run. àwa tá a ṣẹ́gun sí la máa dúró jẹ àwa tá a ṣẹ́gun sí nídìí iṣẹ́ tá a ṣẹ́gun sí nílé ọkọ àbáwọn tó ṣẹ́gun sí fúnyàwó àbí tá a ṣẹ́gun sí nílé ìyá nílé bàbá àbí tá a ṣẹ́gun sí ọmọ gbogbo ẹ̀gúsí tóun ta lè ṣẹ́ láyé yìí àwa tá a ṣẹ́ tá a sì náà la máa dúró jẹ ẹni ẹlẹ́ni ò ní gbà ṣe wá ṣe wọn ò ní kọ̀yìn àwọn ọmọ wọn sí wa wọn ò ní kọ̀yìn àwọn ọmọ wa sí wa tó bá dọjọ́ ogbó àní ráre àní ráhùn àní tàràkà àwọn ọmọ wa ò ní pè wá lájẹ àní ṣàìsàn àìsàn tí ò sínú Quran tí ò sínú bíbélì tó wà nínú Quran ni o àbí tó wà nínú bíbélì ni o àní ṣàìsàn àní ṣàìsàn láyé ọlá wípé ìjọ tá a wáyé ìhòòhò la wáyé àní rí ìhòòhò tá a máa fi kúrò láyé ẹ̀dá tí ò bá lówó ìhòòhò ló wà ẹ̀dá tí ò bá lálàáfíà ìhòòhò ló wà ẹ̀dá tí ò bá ní ìfọ̀kànbalẹ̀ ìhòòhò ló wà ẹ̀dá tí ò bá ní ohun tó fẹ́ láyé ìhòòhò ló wà àní rí ìhòòhò lọ́jọ́ ayé wa àní rí ìhòòhò lọ́jọ́ ayé wa láàárín ìdílé ìyá Ọlọ́run á ṣe wá lógo ìdílé bàbá Ọlọ́run á pè wá lógo ìdílé ẹbí ni o ará ni o láàárín ojúlùmọ̀ ni o ògo lọ́lọ́run máa ṣe gbogbo wa Ọlọ́run á bá mi dúpẹ́ lọ́wọ́ yín o gbogbo ẹ̀yin tẹ́ ń bá mi rajà àṣírí yín á bò ó gbogbo ẹ̀yin tẹ́ ń ralẹ̀ lọ́wọ́ mi àṣírí yín á bò ó gbogbo ẹ̀yin tẹ́ ń bá mi ra cream tẹ́ ń bá mi ra aṣọ àṣírí yín á bò ó àṣírí kábà òtúrì àṣírí yín á bò ó ọ̀dà itó kì í dá ẹnu ọ̀dà owó ò ní dá èmi àti yín ọ̀dà omi ò kì í dá ojú ọ̀dà owó ò ní dá èmi àti yín gbogbo ẹ̀yin tẹ́ wá nífẹ̀ẹ́ mi ní owó tí mo lè fún yín torí kò sí iye mílíọ̀nù tí mo lè gbé fún yín kò tó dáadáa tẹ́ ń ṣe fún mi ìyẹn lẹ́yìn tó jẹ́ pé tí n bá wò ẹ̀yìn máa rí yín tí n bá wo wájú máa rí yín ó bẹ̀rẹ̀ látòrí ọkọ mi àkànbí mi olówó orí mi mo dúpẹ́ ó kú gbogbo ìgbà ó kú ọmọ ní ṣe ó kú àdúró tì mí ó kú bó ṣe dúró gbó tẹlẹ́gbọ̀n ojú ò ní tì ẹ́ mo dúpẹ́ lọ́wọ́ àwọn ọ̀rẹ́ mi tó jóbìnrin tí mi ò lè dárúkọ wọn ẹ pọ̀ gbogbo ẹ̀yin tẹ́ ń tẹ́wọ́ gbà mí ẹ̀yin ti London ni o ẹ̀yin ti Canada ni o ẹ̀yin ti US ni o Ọláyẹmí mi ọ̀wọ́n olórí kí lorúkọ ẹ̀ ní London àti ìyá ní Canada ẹ̀yin ti Nàìjíríà náà mo dúpẹ́ lọ́wọ́ yín ojú ò ní tì yín o mo dúpẹ́ ojú ò ní tì yín o ẹ ní padà dèrò ẹ̀yìn láyé ẹ ní tọrọ jẹ ṣídìíṣídìí ò ní ṣí gbogbo akóòlé ọkọ wa ọkọ ò ní kú mọ́ wa lórí ọmọ ò ní kú mọ́ wa lọ́wọ́ I appreciate you guys I feel like seeing you kí n dẹ̀ hug yín mo mọ̀ lóore o mo mọ̀ lóore wọ́n ní etí ò sí mọ́ orí dàpọ̀ láìgi ẹ̀dá tí ò ní ìyá mọ́ àti jẹ́ èèyàn ẹ̀ láwùjọ ó dọwọ́ Ọlọ́run nítorí ìyá lálábàárò gbogbo ẹ̀ tẹ́ dúró fún mi bí ìyá ọjà tẹ́ fi ń pọ̀n mi ò ní tú lójijì ẹ ní ṣubú dànù gbogbo àwọn ọmọ yín ló máa ṣoríire bàbá dàbí ọsán ni wọ́n ní ọsán já ọrún dọ̀pá gbogbo ẹ̀ tẹ́ dúró fún mi bí bàbá pàápàá jùlọ ọkọ tí mo fẹ́ tó jẹ́ bàbá mi ojú ò ní tì í láyé gbogbo ẹ̀yin ọmọ tẹ́ wá kóra yín sábẹ́ mi tẹ́ pera yín ní warriors. Tí wọ́n bá kó yín jọ láwùjọ tó bá kóru yín jọ ẹ ṣọ̀wọ́n aṣọ́lì àrúkì ìvédìméjì Dúníọlá ìtàn àṣekún àmínà pẹ́pẹ́ mo fẹ́ kẹ́ mọ̀ pé ẹyọ kan yín ló wà láyé ẹ̀ pé méjì and I appreciate you guys. Thanks for being there. Tó bá jẹ́ ọmọ kan ṣoṣo láyé yìí my mom always tell me mo fẹ́ kó bímọ sí mi fẹ́ kó jẹ́ létí kan I don't know the meaning until she died. Àríkẹ́ mo dúpẹ́ lọ́wọ́ ẹ̀ ìwọ làbúrò mi ìwọ ni bá máa pè ní èyí làbá bí tẹ̀lé mi Àríkẹ́ I appreciate you. Thank you for being there. What family nǹkan táwọn ẹbí ò lè ṣe òun ṣe fún mi ó dà pé ìyá àti bàbá ẹ ló bí mi àbí ìyá mi àgbà mi ló bí ẹ. Thank you for being there. Thank you. Gbogbo nǹkan tó ń ṣe o lè máa wò pé àyà yìí ló ń bọ̀ mí kí ló ń dúpẹ́ lọ́wọ́ mi fún. Kò dìgbà tí wọ́n bá bọ̀yàn àbí tí wọ́n bá fúnyàn lówó kó tó ṣoore ń gbà mí kéèyàn kọ́ dúró tí èèyàn ń gbà mí oore ni èmi mọ oore o fún gbogbo yín pátápátá mo mọ oore. Appreciate you guys regardless of my status, regardless of my age, regardless of èèyàn tẹ́ rò pé mo jẹ́. Mo dúpẹ́ níwájú gbogbo yín mo humble ara mi sọ fún gbogbo yín pé ẹ ṣé. Mo sọ fún gbogbo yín pé ẹ ṣé mo dúpẹ́ ẹ ṣé mo wá dúpẹ́ lọ́wọ́ Ọlọ́run ọba àjọkẹ́ ayé àṣàkẹ́ ọ̀run. Mo dúpẹ́ lọ́wọ́ ẹ̀ tó dúró tì mí tí kò bá sí òun níbo ní bá wà. Mo dúpẹ́ lọ́wọ́ àwọn bloggers àwọn journalists tọ́jọ́ rẹ̀ mi mo dúpẹ́ àwọn kan wà mi ò rí wọn rí they just write I'm part of pity àwọn kan máa pé because àwọn láì báwọn èèyàn ṣe ń ṣe sí mi kìnnìkan they just write one or two things to celebrate me. Mo dúpẹ́ lọ́wọ́ yín. Gbogbo ẹ̀yin tẹ́ jí pè mí láàárọ̀ àná tẹ́ bẹ̀ sí ní ṣàdúrà ẹ̀yin kan fẹ́ pè ẹ rí bí pé nọ́mbà mi ò lọ bẹ̀ ṣe ń pè WhatsApp bí 12 ṣe lù báyìí lẹ ti bẹ̀ sí ní pè gbogbo bí tó lóore yín bá wà wọn ò ní sùn àfi tán bá wà yín rí ọkàn gbogbo lóore yín ò ní balẹ̀ àfi tán bá wà yín rí tán bá ṣúre fún yín. Mo dúpẹ́ lọ́wọ́ Ọlọ́run bó tún jẹ́ kí n rí ọjọ́ àná ó jẹ́ kí n rí ọjọ́ èní bédè ọdún yìí tún wá yàtọ̀ but kẹ́ lè bá mọ bí tí mo fẹ́ràn iṣẹ́ dé tí mo hate iṣẹ́ mo ní láti filé sílẹ̀ mo fọ̀nà sílẹ̀. My first birthday with my husband yesterday we're not together I have to go for business torí ẹni tó bá fẹ́ràn iṣẹ́ máa hate iṣẹ́. First birthday mi pẹ̀lú ẹni tí ó jẹ́ adé orí mi lànà jẹ́ Olúwa mo dúpẹ́ lọ́wọ́ yín mo dúpẹ́ jíjẹ mo dúpẹ́ mímu mo dúpẹ́ níná mo dúpẹ́ lílo mo dúpẹ́ mo jáde sí gbogbo àgbáńlá ayé Olúwa láti sọ fún ayé pé ẹ̀yin ni ọba Ọlọ́run ẹyọkàn dẹ̀ ní ẹ wá fún mi ní oore tí màá tún fi padà wá sọ fún wọn wípé ẹ ti ṣe báyìí fún mi. Ìwọ̀n bá nǹkan tó kù nínú ayé mi ẹ bá mi ṣe tán torí ẹ lọ bá ṣe tán má kù. Mo dúpẹ́ Olúwa. Thank you pé ẹ fi kan gbà kan lọ́wọ́ mi. Ẹ torí pé ẹ fẹ́ fún mi lọ́kọ kẹ́ ẹ gba àlùbáríkà mi àbí kẹ́ ẹ gba nǹkan tẹ́ fún mi. Gbogbo ohun tóbìnrin ń wáyé wá ní gbogbo ẹ̀ lẹ́ ń fún mi lẹ́yọ kọ̀ọ̀kan lẹ́yọ kọ̀ọ̀kan lẹ́yọ kọ̀ọ̀kan lẹ́yọ kọ̀ọ̀kan. Gbogbo nǹkan tó tún wá jẹ́ pé téèyàn bá ní ìkan kò ní ní mi ṣáyé tèmi bẹ́ẹ̀, gbogbo ẹ̀ lẹ́ ń fún mi lẹ́yọ kọ̀ọ̀kan lẹ́yọ kọ̀ọ̀kan lẹ́yọ kọ̀ọ̀kan. Olúwa mo dúpẹ́ lọ́wọ́ yín o, mo dúpẹ́ o, mo dúpẹ́ o, mo dúpẹ́ o. Ẹ̀yin olólùfẹ́ mi, thank you so much. Thanks for yesterday, I appreciate it. Gbogbo ẹ̀yin tẹ́ kọrin fún mi. Ọ̀nà méjì náà ti máa ń kọrin. Wọ́n máa ń kọrin níbi ìbànújẹ́, wọ́n dẹ̀ máa ń kọrin níbi ayọ̀. Ọmọ aráyé ò ní kọrin ìbànújẹ́ sí ti gbogbo ẹ̀yin tẹ́ kọrin fún mi pátápátá. Tẹ́ kọrin lánàá. Mi ì lè máa mention orúkọ yẹn ti pọ̀ jù. Guys are much. Orin ayọ̀ láyé máa máa kọ fún yín. Orin ìdùnnú, orin ìgbéga láyé máa máa kọ fún yín. Ìlú tẹ́ ń wò yẹn kò ń bá wọn lọ sóde ìbànújẹ́ o. Ọlọ́run á lùlù ayọ̀ sáyé gbogbo yín. Lọ́lá ìjẹ́kan Ọlọ́run. Lọ́lá 19 tó jẹ́ pé tí ò bá rí ẹyọ kan kò ní di 20. Lọ́lá 19 tí ò bá rí ẹyọ kan kò ní di 20. Lọ́lá 20 tó jẹ́ pé tí ẹyọ kan bá kúrò lára ẹ̀ kò ní di 20. Lọ́lá pé ẹyọ kan ni mí tí mo dirú tí mo dìgbà. Mo fi àṣẹ ayé mi mo fi gbàdúrà fún yín pé ọ̀run á tù yín lọ́kàn. Ọ̀run á tù èmi àti yín lọ́kàn. This prayer is from my heart, direct from my heart. Because yes, there was. You know when you have your man by your side, even mo ti ṣiṣẹ́ lọ, but deep down in me I know my husband is at home, you know. Oh no, àwọn ti lọ bí iṣẹ́ tí wọn náà, èmi náà ti lọ bí iṣẹ́ tèmi náà. On a good day ká jọ wà pọ̀ ni. But yesterday was a blessed one for me. At least yesterday, nobody come on my page and say go and marry. Arúgbó ọjọ́ go and marry. Kìnìkan go and marry. I didn't hear that yesterday. It means my God liveth. Ó dẹ̀ dá mi lójú pé àdúrà ń gbà Mẹ́kà. Mo dẹ̀ jẹ́rìí sí agbára Ọlọ́run wípé Ọlọ́run wà. Thank you so much, guys. Thank you so much, so much. I appreciate you guys. Thank you. Thank you, thank you. Thank you. So guys, I just want to say thank you. Thank you, and thank you for being there. Thank you for being strong. Thank you. I love you guys. Bye-bye. See you tomorrow, next tomorrow. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. I love you guys. Thank you so much. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you.